Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It's Friday, the 12th of June. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy last day of the week. That means it is the last day of the week to turn that red week green. That means everyone needs to lock in. If you've had a bad week, you don't want to make it even worse, throw away even more of your profits. Even if you've had a green week, you don't want to be making your Friday the worst trading day of the week. There is nothing going into the weekend in the red. So let's lock in, focus. It's already looking like NASDAQ wants to make a move, so we will get into that very soon. But I will first give a good morning around to you all. Again, we had a bit of a glitch with the time start of the stream again today, so maybe a few of you are still just joining a little bit late. But hopefully you all got the notification that we're live, and it's a 3-hour session lock-in, so let's do it. And also, it's Mario Kart Friday. So you know what that means. I have my Switch ready. There are no excuses here. I will hopefully be able to connect my Switch and be able to, join the lobby with you guys later on. And then we'll get into that Mario Kart race later on. Okay, but for now, I can see we have Jalen Trades nice and early. He said early bird gets a word. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Goofer. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Chad. Good morning, Realist. Good morning, Rav. Good morning, Amia, Dino Trader. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Santana. Good morning, Tim Trades. Thuso, good morning. Good morning, M&Qs. Santana, who else? Diego's here. Goyle, Remy, say good morning to you all. Good morning, Gabe. All right, let's get into it. We are 2 minutes into the Frankfurt Open. I will give you guys my top-down analysis, what I'm looking for on NQ. And as you can see, this is for you, Andrea. I haven't switched my white charts back, so you guys can have my gray charts. That's the darkest I'll go. Okay, but you're gonna have to deal with the white wall and the gray charts from now on. But anyway, so this is what we're seeing right now. Yesterday's daily candle did close a nice bullish candle after sweeping its previous day's low and also respecting in this gap that I was watching on the daily. So the fact that we held that the midpoint of that daily gap nicely there shows that there is strength. And after seeing such a bullish candle close yesterday, I do think also given news, we did have some news yesterday in terms of the conflict in the Middle East, that there is some sort of de-escalation, and Trump has said that he is backing off. So maybe this is where we see NQ fly again to those all-time highs. Not necessarily today, but that is definitely where I see NQ heading potentially. And so yeah, right now daily I'm bullish bias based on that movement. For now, 4-hour time frame, we do have this 4-hour gap from yesterday's New York session that we are playing in right now. So we have dropped down in the last 4-hour candle, dropped down into this 4-hour gap. For me to remain bullish though in the session today, I need to see the midpoint of this. So pretty much that previous 4-hour candle came right to that level and then respected it and bounced off. So I want to see the midpoint held. We can drop lower into this gap, of course, but as long as we are wicking up, leaving the wick behind in this gap, then I'm happy to take longs and remain bullish for the rest of the day. So right now we are just heading back into daily open. Daily open level is sitting at 29,456.75. That is daily open for NQ. And right now we are just about retesting daily open at the moment. The 4-hour candle is a nice inside candle. We have not swept, I wouldn't say nice, because we don't like that, but it is an inside candle. So I'm waiting for that 4-hour candle to either sweep, well, preferably sweep its previous 4 hours low. That would go in line with my higher time frame bullish bias. And that way, if we do get a sweep, I will look for a reaction in the 15-minute and the 1-minute as usual and take longs out of this gap. That's what I'm looking at for now. Asia high is a level to the upside, sitting at 29,645.50 that I'm looking at for targets to the upside, and also that level below the previous 4-hour high, 29,587. So that is what I'm looking at right now. I'm thinking that, yes, Asia was a bit of a consolidation range today, and we have had just this last hour candle just drop, but I only see this as a bit of a pullback, and I do expect us to continue in this bullish trend right now. But we shall see. We shall see. Not going to be married to any sort of bias, but that is what I'm looking for. And right now I did have a setup. There you go. There was a buy at 153, but that was before the Frankfurt Open. So I'm now looking for a setup post the Frankfurt Open. All right. How is everyone doing? What are you guys, if you guys are in any trades, let me know as well. Let me know how you, maybe Roman, let's get a poll in there, see what where everyone's at with buys today. Everyone feeling bullish, bearish? Let's see. Also, I need to have a bit more of this coffee so I can last the 3 hours. All right, cool. Roman's put a poll in there. Today I am bullish, hit the like button, bearish and hit the like button, and or just not trading. If you guys haven't taken a trade, that's a good one, Roman. He put in there an option for you guys to let me know if you actually haven't taken a trade yet either. Celine, 4-hour liquidity sweep and isn't a buy signal now. There was a buy opportunity, yes, prior to this 2 a.m. candle open, but I was not trading that last 4-hour candle. So for now, 4-hour candle has not swept anything, so there is no buy opportunity for me. Nothing yet, but we will wait. Andre says, we just swept Asia low on gold, eyeing a buy if we can get a change in structure. All right, nice. Good point, Andre. Let's have a look on gold to see if there is anything nice looking. Yep, so Asia low has been tagged there. Right now, the hourly open has only been bought up, so I would expect this candle to drop down, potentially take out that previous 4-hour low, make that bottom wick, and then might be a nice buying opportunity in this session today, maybe closer to London session, but I do like it for the longs. We're right now playing out of a 1-hour gap. There is a lower 1-hour gap to the downside as well we could potentially draw into. I like to use the high time frame gaps as the draws for me, swing points or high time frame gaps. And on NQ, playing out of this 4-hour gap is an A+ setup. So if we have, like I was saying to you yesterday, if it is a 4-hour gap in the direction that we drop down into the direction that I'm wanting to trade, so 4-hour bullish gap that we're tapping into, that makes it A+ for the buys for me. All right. Yes, that is all NQ is doing right now. Nothing too exciting to see. Tuj says, I'm in longs, entered off the daily FVG tap. Nice. I mean, yeah, longs could definitely be, I mean, if you caught the low here, very, very well done. But I would like to see a sweep of that previous 4-hour low, personally. Diamonds, yeah, yes, especially after a nice deep pullback, my fave setup. Yes, especially after a pullback. Once we've had a pullback into a higher time frame gap, that is my A+. That aligned with the sweep of the 4-hour low and 15-minute low, and a 1-minute inversion, that is my A+ setup. Cannot get any cleaner than that. I just realized my mic is really in the way today. Celine, didn't this break orb down on the 15-minute? We can take a look at orb. I don't actually really trade orb on NQ. Let's just change. Oh, okay, so we can take the 2 a.m. So as you can see, the first 15 minutes, if you're talking about orb, Santana, the first 15 minutes of the session have not printed. So we have not broken any form of orb yet. But there you can see the opening range being printed right now on NQ. CMA, Celine, looking at yesterday's impressive upside move on NAS, do you view this as a structural trend reversal or just a temporary liquidity sweep before we head lower again? No, I see the daily and for that matter the weekly, how we are going to close as very much a bullish weeks ahead of us. I think definitely the weekly candle gives that away, being that we did drop back down into this weekly gap, and leaving this buying wick behind tells me there is just no bears, not enough anyway to pull price any lower. We did drop quite deep into the gap, but the fact that we're unable to close in this gap on the weekly just tells me that there is too much bias here, too much strength. And that aligned with the daily that closed yesterday tells me I think we are heading higher. The next swing point on the daily time frame to take out for me is that a swing high here, 29,848. So that's this level here made from, that's the high of Tuesday's candle. That would be the next area that I would look to target on the daily. And then beyond that, that's just all-time highs. That is the next level. And that is, what is that all-time high now? 30,807. So, I mean, I personally think we are heading higher on NQ, but I'm no predictor. I can't tell you where it is definitely going to go, but that is my analysis. Good morning, Deshaun. Good morning, Bogdan. Amisa, do you trade NY or Asia, Celine? I trade NY, Ami. I'm not trading Asia anymore since being back in Europe now officially because of the time zone here. So this is the earliest session I can trade now, which is fine because I didn't really enjoy Asia too much for the way I like to trade. So London and New York are definitely my more preferred sessions. Good morning, Paula. Sarab says, good morning, Celine. I'm in a short in NQ with 140 points in hand. Let's go, Sarab. Already killing it. Looking forward to break the 4-hour low. Okay, sick. If we break that 4-hour low, then I will be in longs, and I hope you're taking profit. Good morning, Inizio. What's going on? Good morning. It says good morning, C Money. I love that nickname. Morning, Leia. Leia, your oil trade must have banked yesterday. Give us an update on that, because oil took a dump after the Trump news yesterday. Good morning, Rohan. May, where are you from, Celine? I'm originally from Melbourne, Australia. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Amir, did you take a win in New York? Oh, you guys don't want to know what happened to me in the New York session. I had a trade. I was eyeing up. It was just after the 10 a.m. It was a short, and it was, I don't know. I ended up just closing off in a rage rate because I had hit daily loss limit in the London session. So my orders got rejected. And then in like a 1 minute candle, it dropped 80 points, and then it continued to fall and fall and fall. And I think like almost 200 points I would have bagged in that trade, but my orders were rejected because I had hit daily loss limit. So anyway, I was like, whatever. I'm now after like a 1 minute 80 point drop, I decided the trade was done. It was gone, shut it down. So look, I haven't had the best run since being in Greece. I don't know. I don't know what kind of, I don't know, but I need to get back in the zone because something like that has never tripped me up before. Nick says, oh, morning, Nick. Nick is long from 29,432.75. By the way, Nick, my switch is ready for Mario Kart today. Just beware. 29,432. 432. Okay. Nice. All right, already up like 30 points. Let's go. How many micros? The overnight oats are throwing you off. Okay, could be. I don't know. But that's never happened to me before, and I was so fuming yesterday, Nick. Like, these things have never happened, and then all of a sudden, orders rejected, and I was like, wait, what? And I was like pressing sell market so much that I almost like broke my computer. Like, why is it being rejected? And then I was like, daily loss limit. So it is a good thing that we have in place, but as in I should have known to be on different accounts. And anyway, it is what it is. One trade. Okay, Nick's in 5 MNQ right now. All right, nice. Looks good. I am not in any trades yet, Nick, but I'm also looking for longs. Who's in the schlongs? Andreas says too much beach time, not enough time on the charts lane. Lock in, lock in. I know. And you know what? I didn't do myself a favor. I was watching the World Cup opening game yesterday, which was actually not that exciting. I don't know if any of you guys watched the first game of the World Cup. It was kind of boring, but I was up late watching that, so I need to lock in. No more errors today, Andrea. No more. Amir says, you know what? It's another day. We're going to bank. The PA is a lot better than yesterday. Yeah, already you can tell it is much better, which I do love. Yesterday and the day before were not ideal trading conditions after looking back, but after having a consolidation like this in the Asia session, I would like to see London make the move. Hopefully this is the pullback and then London can, so for example, if I just get my drawing tool, you've got this sort of action in Asia and then a dip for London and then a buy by the end of London into New York. That's what I would like to see. Morning, Lucky Mon. Rockface says, nice clear chart. Well, thank you. Someone appreciates my chart. I did make it a gray background now though, because I get enough hate on my white chart, so it's gray. And gray is the darkest I'll go. Put browser in full screen mode. There you go. Enjoy. But then I can't get to gold. I'll just have to get out of it when I need to check gold. World Cup in USA is just lame, not gonna lie. No, it should be fun. I mean, the music and everything yesterday in the opening ceremony was sick, but yeah, I don't know how this World Cup will turn out. But I hope England wins because that's who I pulled in our sweepstake with Tradeify. So everyone should be rooting for England. Where's Nick? Okay, good question. Nick is somewhere, and to unlock Nick, we need the likes to be smashed. So in order to unlock Nick today, I'm going to say 310 likes. It's only a little bit more than yesterday, so you guys can do it. 310 likes will unlock Nick. 410 likes and we'll do a giveaway. Done. Deal. Austin Futures Trading, good morning. All right, guys, barely any of you are in trades. Let's see what this poll is doing. So 60% of you bullish today, only around 28% bearish, and 12% of you not trading. So majority of you are either in longs, have taken longs, or yeah. So I'm on side with the chat today. How do we feel about that, Nick? Gabe says Nick is worth 500. Oh, so if you guys want a 500 like goal, I mean, we can set it. You've got 40 minutes. We can change it. If everyone agrees, we can do a 500 like goal for Nick. I mean, I'm down. We just have to get the chat on board. One's if we're going to do a 500 like goal. Choose if you can't hear me. It's a joke whoever was here yesterday, Nick Sal's hit, by the way. Yes, they did. Yep. And I'm sure he would have banked as well in the New York session. So for any of those who can't stand the way Nick trades without a stop loss, the guy does the work and the profits are paid. So you can't argue with that. Chat says 500 likes for Nick and 300 for a giveaway. 500 for Nick, no. For potato Nick, yes. Oh no. M2N equanimity, I'm giving that a 10-second ban. I'm just gonna have to when I can find it. I haven't banned someone for a long time. All right, 10 seconds, there you go. Vanessa says your gold short worked yesterday after you were stopped out. I know. I absolutely know. You don't need to remind me of that. But yeah, that is just the luck. That is the phase I'm going through right now this week in trading. Fair to say I have made a big move and a time zone shift and basically like crazy things like finding a house, buying a car, like all those crazy decisions and things being made outside of trading that it probably is affecting my trading on a real note. But I am trying to be locked in and focused. But also not letting it affect me. Like, yes, I did that gold trade did stop me out and then run to TP, but if I spend all my days worrying about that one trade, then it's going to just hold me back and I'm going to probably miss another opportunity or I'm going to make a stupid mistake. So I know it's better for me in the long term not to be affected by these things, not to even sit on it for 1 minute. M2 when he came back, he said Spud for president. Oh my gosh. We know who Spud's #1 fan is here now. Amir says we see a little bit of the plant at least. Yes, okay, yeah. You can see more of the plant somehow. Does that help? Wait. There we go. Oh, but now I feel like I'm gonna knock the plant out. Okay, I think that's a bit of a hazard, guys. There. Trump is about to tweet, now you'll enter longs. How do we know? If there was a way to find out when Trump was tweeting and what he was tweeting, to be more specific, I think we would all be a lot richer. Morning cheese balls. Andrea says, Celine, are we going to see the New York stream now that you're awake during that time? Potentially I can drop in from time to time. Morning trader nickel one. HE trader Spud is my daddy. Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. We got some big Spudnik fans in here. It's definitely me, #1 fan of Spuddy Boy Nick. Sarab, okay, you guys are gonna have to fight for #1 fan. King's Daughter says, I'm thinking short. Okay, well, based on the poll, majority of the chat here are bulls, but that's usually a sign to go short. So, my friend, you could be in the clear. I'm personally waiting to see a drop lower. I do like this 4-hour low as potential to sweep. And also we are still in this 4-hour bullish gap. So that is why I'm remaining bullish for the London session. MG7022, hey Celine, how many accounts can I trade the same time? Copy via Tradeify. You can have 5 fundeds at once. That is the absolute max that you can copy trade. For evals, I don't know if there is a limit on evals, to be honest. I don't believe there is. You could copy trade 10 Tradeify evals if you want it, but definitely max accounts you can copy with in the funded stage is 5. Spuds. Oh my gosh. There is some crazy Spud fans in here. Connaught, which indicator is that the one bias? This one is connected to, so this is just a checklist that I use during when I'm looking for setups, and it's linked to this indicator. So it is a personal one that I had built specifically for my trading system. So it might not help a lot of you that don't use bias the way I do. But it basically just, it's based off the 4-hour candle, the bias. If we drop lower and sweep out the previous 4-hour low, it's going to tell me it's bullish bias, and I will be looking for longs off that. Celine, breakfast today, Suriluki, I had yogurt and I had granola. High protein. Places drop, CR drop close to passing 100k count today. Leia, you are killing it. what have you passed? Like maybe almost 4 accounts in the last couple of days. Amazing. Let's go. Good morning, Nick Easter. No, Nickster is live. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Patty. Yes, I'm sure everyone loves Spud. Trader Sue, I like how assertive Nick is about his approach and strategy and so confident in his trading. Wish to be like you, Nick. Yes, 100%. Thank you, Trader Sue, for appreciating that about Nick, because a lot of you will just talk shit because you don't understand, but you have to give him that. He's very confident and his system works. We see it day after day. So, I mean, we should all really strive to be like that. I mean, you didn't hear that from me, Nick, but he does trade with confidence, doesn't let anyone's thoughts, opinions affect his trading, and he kills it. Celine, where are you currently? Which country? Right now, I am in Greece. I've been in the last few months, like all over the world. I was in Bali, I was in Australia, and now I'm in Greece, but permanently in Greece now. So I can finally settle. Cheeseball secured a $900 payout yesterday. Let's go. Let's go. Nice to do that going into the weekend as well. Love that. Nickster is live, says Nick is the strat pro. He knows what is going on, but killing the market daily. Absolutely. It's very simple, the way Nick goes about it, but sometimes you don't need to overcomplicate trading, and I think he does such a good job at showing that to you guys. You all want like extra sauce on his strategy, but I think what his strategy is just simple. I think it's simply that. Buying low and selling high. TNN, what strategy does he use? Well, simply that. I don't think there's much more to it. Oh, comment says, what's the like target sling to get Nick on stage? Okay, we said, what did we say? 310. 310 for Nick to come on today. 410 for a giveaway, for the first giveaway. Why did you choose Greece? Many reasons. Mainly, look, Europe has the ideal setup when you're a trader. The hours are beautiful. Like this is my 9 in the morning to we'll trade this until 12 p.m. The London session, and that is like I think the best time to be trading. Like first thing in the morning, wake up, get it done, and then you have the rest of your day to do what you want to do. But not only that, the food, the culture, the beaches, the proximity to the rest of Europe, like just the fact that I can get on a train and be in a new country on the weekend is something I've always wanted. And also that my fiance is Greek, so it also helps. Nick says, now that you're in Greece, you actually have a 9 to 5, lol. I know. Well, a 9 to 12. But yes, that is true. But I don't mind it. I think that is how my brain and my focus, I think, works better at these hours of the morning anyway. You guys saw me trading from 4 to 7 in Australia. No, we all know by the end of that 7 p.m. hour, I was a bit sketchy, but 9 to 12, I'm good. But yeah, Greece is beautiful. If you guys are in Europe and you haven't been, please visit Greece. It honestly, it's amazing. I'm heading to Croatia in September to check it out. Might move there. Ooh, Jimmy Trades. That's exciting. With the fam? Croatia, I've never been to, but I would love to visit Croatia. It is also very close, but I've heard really great things. But from Australia to Croatia, that would be an exciting move. Isidro, I am in the second largest city. I am in Thessaloniki. So that is all you get. I won't, I've been doxing myself here. Sanjab says, I'm from Croatia. Greetings. Oh, amazing. I knew we'd have a few from that side of the more like Eastern Europe. There's a few from Greece in here as well. CMA says, Celine, I'm currently traveling in Somalia. Whoa, okay. That's exciting. And it's amazing to see a fellow Somali. Oh, I am not Somalian. No, this guy is it's amazing to see a fellow Somali leading the markets on Tradeify TV. Truly inspiring regarding your NAS bullish view if we don't hold this rally. Okay, my friend, I'm Australian, not Somalian. That is hilarious. Adrian, can you put a trade on so I can fade, please? Sure, you just gotta wait. Nick said, damn, I didn't know he was Somalian. That is crazy, Nick. We might have to add that to the intro. Chatch is Somalian. Oh my gosh. Ah, Roman says your coffee's cooling down. Good point, Roman. Thank you. Thanks for the reminder. Andrea says new nationality unlocked. Tiana says, what's Croatia? What? When was the last time you opened a world map? Is the cost of living expensive in Greece? Coming from Australia, absolutely not. Of course, you can get like normal priced things. Like when I say normal, like Australian prices for things here is kind of normal. You can go to restaurants that are even more than some places in Australia. But like for the average, like for groceries and things, yeah, I would say it is much cheaper. Nick said, why do all women hold their coffee cup with two hands? Well, because I have dropped cups before like this. There's just not a good enough hold on it. The handle is not big enough. Like, how do you drink just like this? I don't know. And then this just adds that extra support. Thanks, Roman. This is how you should be holding a coffee cup. It's just, I don't know. Maybe it is a woman thing. I can't explain. But this is not secure enough. I know that. You can't be drinking like that. Or like this. It needs to be like this. What else, chat? Are any of you in trades right now? Constantine, anyone watch Korea vs Czech just now? No, but what actually did happen with that game? Hold on. We do need the update here. Okay, yeah. South Korea won that 2-1 as predicted. Do you speak Greek? A little, yes. I do speak a little bit. Enough to get me by. But because my fiancé and his family, like everyone here speaks English, like it's easy for me. And I will do the work to learn a bit more so I can get by a bit better. But I think I know enough. Andrea, on today's episode, I had to hold your cup in your hands. I don't know, maybe it is a woman thing, but that just feels much better than holding it with one hand. The good news is in shorts. Okay, here we go. Let me know what trades you guys are in. MG's in shorts. Wow, Thomas in shorts. Short scalps from Cat. Okay, a lot of you are actually trading those shorts. Santana closed my shorts. Interesting. Deshaun's brother, you trade Asian session if you find a good setup. I used to, yes, but being in this time zone now, I'm not trading Asia session. That for me is just a little bit too early. So yeah. Sort of, you were the same guy that was asking where I live, and now you're asking, is there a nice beach near your place? That is a little too much. And any more questions about where I live, and I can actually just ban you from the chat. So let's leave it at that. Oh, a few of you also 1 minute cheese balls 1 M&Q short testing it. Okay, nice. Gary caught 30 points short. Very nice. Short and took me out for break even. I hate that, AG Trade. I hate that for you. But I mean, what was the idea to go short here to those that were in shorts? I would like to know. I mean, it's working out. I would hope that we sweep out this previous 4 hour low. This would work perfectly with what I want to look at. For those asking what my buying level is at, I'm waiting to see a sweep of the previous 4 hour low. And with that level being 29,375, if we do drop into there, which it looks like we are, I'd be waiting for then a reaction maybe towards London Open, a wicking in the midpoint of this 4 hour gap, and then shooting back up for a previous 4 hour high, Asia high, those kind of levels. Nick just added more to his longs. Okay, cool. What size are you in now? 7 M&Q, average 423.25. Let's go. We might be in the same trade today, Nick. Maybe. Any of your Tradeify candlesticks moving extra slow? Is it just me? Maybe you're on a higher time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. You might want to drop down. Tim Trace's slim rejection on the Asia low at 466. I've got Asia low from me. I know you guys are going to hate this, but my Asia low is the level here, 29,443. So that has already been taken out. We came back. We did bounce again off Asia low. And I guess if some of you were thinking to go short off that, I can see that. But for me, there is no short setup there yet. I'm looking for the buys. Good morning, Kiz. Good morning. How are you? I'm very well. How are you? Can't wait, Kiz, for the meetup in London. It's going to be so good. And you, Leia. Cannot wait. Tim says that's why I was short there. Okay, cool. Justin got out of the short. All right, a lot of you banking today. Let's go. We love that on a Friday. What session indicator is that? The session indicator. You guys gonna hate me. This is the session. This is it. Sessions and key levels. I wonder if there's a way to have this as like just a pinned message in the chat. Sessions and key levels by Script Edge. This is the one I use every single day. Very customizable, very easy to use. Mace is literally in 6 M&Q shorts. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Shorts are playing out. I mean, I would be looking to take some sort of profit at this swing point. This is the previous 4 hour low. But if you guys are planning to hold even longer, I mean, the next area where we had a bit of consolidation and the next swing point, at least on the hourly, is like all the way down back below 29,000. So that is, if you guys think we're going to get the sell off, I mean, go for it. This is honestly can't wait to mingle with others without my kids. Yes, you'll be able to enjoy the break and you'll be able to meet other traders later. It's going to be awesome. Angela says, what meetup are you doing in London? We've got the London Prop Expo. So Tradeify will be there. A few of us will be there from the Tradeify TV team and others. So you will be able to meet us. We'll be able to meet you. So it'll be really awesome. Because like doing this like chat thing, like, you know, it's always different when you get to meet in person. And some of the OGs will be coming there. So I'm excited for that. Carrie says, Swiss Nick is waiting to collect receipts when someone says he's cooked. Oh yeah, Nick always has those receipts, guys. Always. Comment says, Celine, remind chat about the like target. Like target is 310 to bring Nick on. Make sure if you're just joining, smash the like button. Let me check what we're at. Let me check. Okay. We're at 201 likes. We need 310 likes to bring Nick on. So still got a bit of work, but there is time. If you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. There is over 500 of you here, so I know we can easily smash that goal. And 410 for the giveaway. Oh, Cheesewell says, I sadly cannot join this year. So sad. I was so hyped. Damn. Well, there is always next time. Justin said, I wish I could have gone if I wasn't going to be in Turks. Oh, I mean, Justin, if you're going to be in Turks, enjoy. You'll have an amazing time in Turks. I would love to be traveling there myself. It's on my list. John says, I'm betting that Nick gonna go long today. Nick is already building up a long position here, guys. He is in longs. It looks like the chat is finally working out Nick's system. All right, so we have had officially a sweep of the previous 4-hour low. We've dropped down a little bit deeper into this 4-hour bullish gap. And as long as this midpoint is respected, then I am still remaining bullish here. Need to see a 1-minute reaction though to enter the long. And right now there isn't one yet. So just going to check on ES as well. And gold. Gold very close to its previous 4-hour low. Gold has just swept out Asia low. But nothing yet on gold. Let's check ES. And a bit of an SMT there with ES, being that ES hasn't swept the previous 4-hour low and NQ has. So something to keep an eye on, but it looks like ES is going to go for that low first. All right, Nick's updated us. He is now in 10 micros with an average of 410. So he is sizing into this nicely. We shall see. I think we are going to get, hopefully, the pump in the London session. MG says, Celine, can you tell me which account size Nick is trading? Guys, we can leave those questions for Nick. He will be here in 15 minutes if you guys smash the like goal. Okay? That's how you got to do the work. You have to be motivated to do the work. If you want to ask Nick's questions, you have to smash the like button. AG Trader said, I'm doing a Nick today and buying lows and adding to it. Ooh, okay. Nick's rubbing off on the chat here. Finally, some people are starting to catch on. Yeah, says, why do you guys buy into 4-hour low break? That is something I do. Nick doesn't trade like that, but I do use the 4-hour for to sort of decide my direction for the London session. So right now, yes, it's not looking like the cleanest 4-hour candle. I prefer a candle that hasn't got a top wick. So right now we did buy up initially in this 4-hour candle and then we dropped. So I don't like that. It is not as strong as a setup when we already have a top wick on the 4-hour. But we are respecting this 4-hour bullish gap, which is really, for me, where I want to see price held up, where the buyers are stepping in and the bears are struggling to get any lower than the midpoint here. So if this is to remain the way it is, I would say we are going to flip back bullish, and then I have Asia high in sight, and I only see this little move as a pullback, and then confirm a swing point, and then this 4-hour just continues to print to the upside. So that's what I would expect to see, but we shall see. Celine, sorry for the previous assumption regarding your background. My mistake. Let's get back to the charts on your bullish outlook for NAS. Where do you see the most critical level of invalidation for this if this rally fails? So the midpoint. Pretty much if this 4-hour candle ends up closing below the midpoint of this 4-hour, sorry, this is the 1 hour. The 4-hour 4-hour bullish gap, then longs will be invalidated for me, and we could see a sell-off into then the next area of price that I would want to see how it is this gap here. So that is why I'm watching this gap right now. That is all I'm interested in. I think bulls are very much still in control of NAS. We do have fundamental, like we do have the news with Trump. Things do seem to be de-escalating, so you should start to see the indices start to pump now. Justin said, I did the math and I've spent $6,786 on and 4 cents on evals. First 4K, I was profitable, but well worth the journey and not giving up because I'm well past it. I still feel new to this. He's saying, sorry, first 4K, I was unprofitable, but well worth the journey and not giving up. Let's go, Justin. I mean, W's Justin for being very transparent there with his eval stats and numbers, because a lot of people will struggle doing that. But it's good to know that you are tracking all of that. Those are very important numbers, because yes, you can take a payout, but then how much have you put into props before taking that payout? What is your net gain over the years? How profitable are you really? And all those questions we need to be asking ourselves. So that is amazing. Well done, Justin. Keep going. Where's the plant, Mrs. Grease? The plant is here. Zeus is here, guys. Zeus is here, but he's sort of a little bit out of the picture. Thanks, Raymond. Zeus is here. It's hard to get him like fully in the picture because I don't know what's changed today. Maybe I'm a little bit more tilted to this side. Hold on. Maybe I'll fix it when Nick comes. You'll have to give me a minute. When Nick comes on stream, I will fix my plant and my setup. Celine, love you, sound congested and cute. I know, I am dealing with some. I was even more blocked waking up this morning. I don't know what's happening. It's probably just the weather change, the climate I'm getting used to, the time zones, everything. So yes, I am a little bit congested, but I'm not sick. Knowledge nuggets, are you going to long if this 1 minute IFVG forms? So right now I'm waiting to see a drop lower into this previous 15-minute low. That would also probably drop into this ES dropping into its previous 4-hour low. Then once we get that sweep, I will look for the 1 minute inversion, yes. But right now, liking that we are still struggling in this 4-hour bullish gap. We aren't dropping any lower. Hopefully we will hold this area of price around the midpoint is around 29,359, 360, around that level. Andre says when Nick will be on, the cam angle will be different and the plant will be visible. Yes, that is true. Andre, that is very true. So we shall wait. All right, so that is ES. ES has just dropped down and swept out its previous 4-hour low. And ES and NQ is very close to sweeping its previous 15-minute low here, guys. So I am on the lookout. 10 minutes to go until London Open. So maybe there's going to be a clean opportunity after that. But if I get a setup, I'm going to take it. Amir says invasion about to happen. Well, we shall see. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not going to try predict anything, Amir. It's never served me well. GARP FX is complicated today, not operating may be the best option. Yeah, Fridays tend to sometimes be a little bit more complicated to trade, but honestly the days yesterday and the day before for me were way more like hard to read. I think today is a lot better price action for me in the way I like to trade. So I will definitely be involving myself in these markets if I get a setup. Sling, did you check the likes for Nick? No. Good point. Let's get an update. With 10 minutes to go. There is 600 of you here and only 261 likes. So 600 people watching with only 261 likes. Like, guys, come on. It is the little button. It's the thumbs up button right underneath the screen when you're sitting here watching me right now. Smash the like button. You only need to click it once. Once you click it, that's all you need to do. You can sit back and enjoy the next 2 hours with Nick and I. But I need you guys to smash the like button, not the hearts. The hearts are going up again. Guys, not the hearts. I appreciate the hearts, not the hearts. The thumbs up button. That's the one we need to smash. And then that way we can bring Nick on. And if you get to 410 eventually, we can do the giveaway. We can do the first giveaway. So make sure you smash it. Kat says, this week has been a nightmare. Well, Kat, you are not alone. I have not had probably one of my worst trading weeks. 2 red days. Did not trade Monday. Traded Tuesday. Did I trade Tuesday with you guys? No, sorry. Did not trade Monday, Tuesday. Traded Wednesday, Thursday, red. And today's Friday. So can I turn it around today? That is the question. Or is this week just a complete write-off? I will probably just trade my evals today as well, I've decided. And leave the fundeds to next week. But this week has not been my best. Definitely not. CMA says, Celine, if you could trade with only one trading rule for the rest of your life, one that you never break no matter what could that be? Would probably be to... Oh. Okay, wait, I need to think about this because initially I was going to say... Oh, you know what? One rule is to never close my trade early. Never. Because if you close your trade early, you are messing with probabilities. You are messing if you've done the work to test the system and everything like that. The chance is if you close it early, someday it might save you, a bit of money, but other days it might actually really affect your P&L. You're missing out on money because you got scared. So definitely the biggest rule I would never break is just never close your trade early. Goyle says, Celine, don't you think you should play a couple trial runs or 2 before Mario Kart? Goyle, what do you think I was doing all of yesterday? I am ready. I was born ready for Mario Kart, as I have explained to you. Mario Kart was like my first game I ever played as a kid. Nintendo 64, Mario Kart, like that's where it's at. That's the history I've got with Mario Kart. So if you know, you know. I'm an OG Mario Kart player. By the way, that is a sweep of previous 15-minute low, so I need to see the 1-minute reaction now. Waiting to see if we have a strong displaced inversion. 7 minutes to the London Open, so I'd be interested to see potentially after the new hourly candle now. Because we are 7 minutes, not even, almost 6 minutes away from that new hourly open, the London session volume open. So we shall see. What is the like goal? 310 likes for Nick to come on and 410 for the first giveaway. Okay, you guys can do it. Let me check. 328. Okay, sick. All right, you guys are smashing it. There is over 600 of you here, so maybe tomorrow or Monday's like count goal needs to be a little bit higher. So we have smashed that. That's awesome. That means we can bring Nick on whenever he is ready. And then we can also do the giveaway very soon. As well as that, chat, there is also a guest joining us today, which we will have on very soon with Nick. A guest very familiar to us in the London session, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. They will be joining us soon. I will let Nick do the honors of announcing that one, since he has the intro for that one that I screwed up last time. I'm not gonna answer anything. You guys will see. You guys will see it very soon. It's the Scottish lady. I'm not answering, guys. Don't even put your guesses in there. I didn't ask you guys to guess. I'm not gonna say anything. Leia, will you be there for Mario Kart? We're gonna do Mario Kart at 9 AM UK. You better be there. Roman, I haven't heard his deep Russian voice in a while, says Justin. Maybe we can get Roman on. Roman, would you like to come and say hello? Good. Okay. Okay, Justin, you know what? Roman has just said he is too busy for that. He's doing his producing duties right now, Justin, so you're gonna have to wait. But he didn't never. Syrup says same for me, losing streak this week. However, getting back on track and market is ready to break the 4-hour swing low. Yeah, it seems this way. It seems this week for me has been a losing streak, Wednesday, Thursday, and I didn't trade Monday, Tuesday. So I did mess with probabilities doing that too, because there were trades there I should have been in, but I wasn't at the charts. Too busy with the life stuff. But next week and today even is a new day. So, you know, you can always trade a new day, fresh ideas, new mind lock in. And just not gonna get stuck on this week. Gonna keep moving forward, Chad. That's what we gotta do. Anyone from BC, Canada? Not too sure. Santana says, boom. I don't know if you in shorts, get out. I don't know about boom. I mean, there is a small little 1 minute candle there, but that is not a boom candle at all. AG Trader says Selene might get an entry soon, potentially. Yes, potentially. So I am waiting. Going to see how the London session open reacts to. This is an A+ right now because we're 2 minutes away from the new 15-minute candle about to print. Also the new hourly 3 a.m. London open. So I am just waiting now for the open. Ashtik says, do you plan on missing any trades today? Ashtik, I don't plan on missing trades ever, obviously. In fact, that reminds me again to check gold. What is gold doing? Because yes, I missed a trade this week, but it doesn't mean that I plan on missing any more trades this week. I missed one and one only, and we'll leave it at that. All right, well, the YT wearing guy, that guy is here. So let me bring him on. Let me get his intro ready for you guys. The like goal was smashed nice and early, Nick. So these guys are ready. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, head ever moving, GP trading, buy hacking, mutual catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro hitting, KFC hating, five guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water gozing, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch paddle winning, super slippery stock walking accent king, definitely not CPI full 40 no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice simulated, 91 no stop loss win rate, once baited Deshawn, the one and only no stop loss butcher.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Morning. You know what?
Good morning.
You know what? Let me continue the intro train and intro the one and only goal slaying, Tracy loving, inhale, exhale mastering, now partial taking, Conor McGregor's cousin, Irish AI Viking girl, New York Times bestselling author, garlic margarita eating, London session stream solo hosting, choose mommy, Claudia Ray. Good morning. How we doing? How we doing?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you guys?
Good. I would be better if everybody put a big fat one in the chat for the trio today. So I would put a one in the chat. Let's get started. Let's do it. Started.
Now, Nick, you're already in a trade, so you want to, Romy, let's switch to Nick's screen.
And let me zoom in here so you can see better.
There we go. All the chaos that it is, but
yeah,
we love it. We love to see it. No stop loss and a whole bunch of sell limits.
Yep. You know it. However, here's the thing. I'm a bit heavy right now for these accounts. So what I'm going to do is once it's in profit, if it comes back in profit, I'll close it and then re-enter it with 4 micros because right now I'm in 12, which is too much.
Oh.
So we'll see.
Okay, so close the full thing and
yes.
then, okay, yeah.
And then re-enter 4 immediately.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So we'll see.
All right, and Claudia, are you in any setups? Are you looking
Not
at
right
any-
now. I'm waiting to see. Gold's at a bit of a funny place right now because obviously we've been in this strong downtrend, but then we had this nice big spike up last night. Now I'm not convinced that it's done with the downside now because we have some equal lows here, and also price really played around yesterday's New York Open, so there's a lot of liquidity resting down there. So I'm leaning more on looking for shells, but it's just I don't think it's ready for a sell just yet. So we have the daily open up here. It would be nice if we could see a spike up before a further push down, or I could just be completely wrong and it could just be a straight up day. But yeah, I'm basically waiting just to see if price takes some upside liquidity and then gives me a nice sell opportunity back towards these lows here. But yeah, we're actually back at where we were in December 2025, so we've undone that big massive push up. We're back to where we were, and we're below the 2026 yearly open now. So it would be nice if we could see some more of these like higher time frame lows taken, and then a higher a switch on the higher time frame. But I'm not convinced it's done with the downside just yet. So we'll see what happens.
The real question is, Claudia, do you have a Switch?
A switch?
Yes, Nintendo Switch.
No. Does that mean I can't play?
Damn it.
No,
Yeah.
you guys.
Oh, we should have prepped Claudia for that.
Why don't you don't give me enough warning? There was the cowboy hat and now there's the Nintendo Switch. Give me a heads up.
Yeah, look, that's our fault, Nick. No, that is. We didn't tell you, Claudia. That's fair.
I can be referee. I'll play referee. That's so sad.
Damn it. I better be able to join. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to join the lobby, whether I'm going to have issues, but I hope so.
Let's get a Nintendo Switch with XP.
With what? Wait, you just cut out for me.
Yeah, me too.
Did I?
Whose internet is shit now? Huh?
Not the internet. It says my mic did disconnect. I'm reconnecting.
Oh, that's not a good sound. Sounds like you're underwater. Ha! Nick with the internet issues on the day of Mario Kart. We love it. And he can't talk as well. Everyone talks trash on Nick while he can't. It's fun. How's your week been, Claudia? How's your trading? I was just saying in the chat, I've had probably one of my worst trading weeks this week. But how are you going?
Yeah, I took a few days off and then I jumped in a sale too soon and got stopped out with that big push up last night.
Damn.
So yeah, I've been missing trades this week as well.
Oh, me too. Me too. I missed a nice gold sell.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Did you say something?
Yeah, is it better now?
Still
Yeah.
can't hear you.
Why are you lying?
Okay. Yeah, it's all good. But
It
yeah,
was random. Like the back room just said your mic disconnected. I was like, what the fuck?
okay, it sounded like really glitchy.
Yep.
So, well, yes, I will be prepared for Mario Kart in an hour. Right now, the
You
Switch
better
is
be.
charging. The Switch is charging. But yeah, in terms of trading, I was just saying I've missed trades. 2 days I just didn't trade at all, and then trades that were right in front of me that I missed, and then yesterday had like orders rejected because I had hit daily loss limit. Like it's just been a bad start to my week. Like I got to Greece, I took the week off when I first got here just to like settle and like do all that sort of thing, and then this is my first full trading week back, and it has not been good. So I'm looking forward to next week. Next week I should be back and focused. But yeah.
Nice.
I might go see how much a Nintendo Switch is so I can order it for next time.
You better. You better. Come on now. Can't have Mario Kart Friday without a Nintendo Switch. Like, how's that gonna work?
Is it always on Fridays?
Yeah. We have.
Okay.
We've been doing this every Friday.
Somebody's not watching our streams, huh?
I've been here on Fridays and there was no Nintendo Switch.
I'm not
Maybe
sure.
like 2 months ago.
Yeah. It's okay. I'll have it sorted for next time. Okay, let's see.
Francisco's in the chat. Francisco says, Celine, did you move to the Congo? No, Francisco, but while we have you, can you please tell me what NASDAQ is about to do? Up or down?
My bet is that he's gonna say up.
Let's see what he says. Claudia, you know the context behind this guy is that he called both dumps on NQ, the Friday and the Tuesday, I think it was, whenever we had that other sell-off. He called both of them.
Can you tell me what's going to happen on gold today?
Yeah,
Please?
can you tell us, please, Congo man?
I think he said he only trades NQ. No gold.
I'm sure you can take a guess.
Yeah, his guess is probably still
crystal
better
ball.
than mine. Okay, here we go. He said it's heading down to 418.50 to 401.25 first buy zone. Okay, he's given us a zone. Wait, 418.50 is in 28,418. The hell? Please confirm. Wait, so Francisco, you think it's dropping to 28,418? That would be something.
He's on September contract.
Oh, okay.
September contracts are higher. Let's see. Yeah, volume is catching up on the September contract.
I'm right now looking for a buy actually on NQ, but we'll see.
We will see.
How did the New York session go, Nick? Any trades?
The New York session went well. Bunch of trades. He says, I think Nick is in the Congo. Oh, I'm 100% in the Congo.
I wish I was in the Congo.
I was in the Congo yesterday evening for 5 hours.
What?
Traveled there really quick. What are we gonna do here?
J-Dub says 1 hour fair value gap at 29,212 potentially for the next draw.
I had to take a couple losses off here because otherwise I risk too much. Yep. So I'm back to 8 micros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
Adrian said, can Claudia replace Celine moving forward?
Oh damn! What the fuck? Who said that?
Adrian, I can just leave right now. We can.
Adrian, you're getting a 10-second ban for that one.
No, but honestly, goodbye.
Oh, she's gone. Well,
Yeah.
that's a new Adrian.
She took that to heart. She's left.
Oh, he's giving you brutal advice now, Claudia.
Saying what?
Francisco, he says, on GC, ask Miriam and do the opposite for 100% win rate. Damn. Damn. Sudeep says, when NQ pumps, Nick will be printing dollars. Yes, I'm long. I'm in the longs. That is very true. Well, Celine, you're not coming back or what? I know you're lurking in the background, so.
I was seeing how long I could take a break there. I'm back, Adrian.
What was the like goal you said for the giveaway?
410. We probably already smashed that.
410. Right. We are. Oh wait, let me refresh.
Oh, we have 416.
416, nice. That is giveaway goal. So Let's see. We just do the usual. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, here are the rules. All you got to do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in or whatever, all questions along the lines of that, well, you're going to get disqualified. Jimmy, you filled it out too early. I just deleted you. You have to fill it out again. I see you, guys. I see you trying to cheat there. I see you. But don't do that. All right, here we go. Here's the form.
Hey, Claudia,
Damn.
how was your trip to...
Oh, Francisco, you're disqualified again.
Oh, again.
Every single time you ask, where's the form? Damn it, Francisco.
He doesn't need a free account. Francisco is not the guy.
I mean, with his calls, with his accuracy
thinking.
in where the market is going, no, he doesn't need a free account. Sorry, you wanted to ask Claudia something.
Yeah.
I was going to ask Claudia because I saw you traveled was it this week? You traveled to Italy?
Oh no, that was a few weeks ago. I'm just a bit delayed in posting holiday
Oh.
photos. I really procrastinate on it because I just can't be bothered posting.
Okay, well then fair enough.
That was like
oh, that's cool.
2-3 weeks ago. Yeah.
Whereabouts did you go?
Rome. I'm still trying to lose the weight I gained in those 3 days from eating so much good food.
Oh, how good is Italian food? We were talking about this
So
yesterday, like best cuisine in the world. I was saying Greek food initially, and then Nick in
It's
the
up
chat.
there. Yeah.
Nick in the chat told me Italian, and then we did the poll, and Italian.
It was clearly Italian.
Yeah. So
But
good.
yeah, it's hard to go past pizza and pasta.
And of course, Congolese as well.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Goated.
Robot says, if I win, can I have the Congo man indicator?
We all want that indicator. Congo man,
Yeah.
I will pay.
Gregor N92 is asking, what was Francisco's prediction in New York yesterday? Did it hit? Absolutely it did. He said, let's go to my screen. Oh, we are actually. He basically said it's going to go down to 618, 601 area, right? Look where it went. A little bit lower, went down to 577, but that definitely counts because he's always giving zones. He's not giving like an exact level. And then it pushed back up. And ultimately we got another big day. I mean, look guys, this was another 1,279 point day yesterday on NQ. From the very bottom to the very top. So pretty crazy. Oh, is the chicken here?
Chicken is in the chat.
Oh yes, Nick has no fucking taste. Well, I like chicken. Okay, Congoman says Panda Express is the bomb. He knows.
I'm starting to think this Congo man is your alt.
Well, it might be. It might not be. Well, let's see. Hands up. I'm not typing.
All right, let's see.
If he types, it's not my alt.
How long are we gonna give it?
Oh, he's gonna be there. He's gonna show up. I know it.
Nothing. Silence.
There he is.
Oh, okay, fine.
Take a ketchup, see? And I have my hands up. It's not my alt.
Something.
There's proof.
Filet and ketchup. Well, he's your number one fan, it sounds like.
He just has great taste, you know. I'm his number one fan. I mean, his call-outs have been crazy. I'm taking some more losses off here because if it drops too far with that size, I'm gonna hit yellow, which I'm not planning to do. So I rather take some losses off, be lighter, and then add more lower. Gotta be a bit careful here. That's what I've been saying when people were asking, what are you doing when price drops too much? Well, I take off losses and then add them back in low. So just so you know.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's never fun hitting DLL.
I'm in 5 micros right now.
Nice. Yes, chicken. I've moved to Greece officially. I'm in Thessaloniki.
Thessaloniki?
Yep, that one.
Good old Thessaloniki. So speaking of Thessaloniki, Claudia, did you take some paddle lessons or?
No, I actually had a paddle court booked yesterday and I got someone to take my spot. So
Claudia.
I skipped. I know,
Wow.
but I went for a night out the day before and I wasn't feeling up to it.
Okay.
But I have another one on Saturday and I did. Oh yeah, Nick, I didn't tell you. Oh no, I shouldn't tell him actually that I found a
No.
coach.
Well, you could just...
I mean,
you did.
no, I'm probably just. I'm not going to train. I'm just going to wing it when the time comes. You know.
That's right.
No
We're
need-
winging it.
no- Yeah.
That's all right.
So you don't need to train either. That is what I'm trying to say. You don't need to train. You'll win.
I don't need to train?
No.
No.
Okay.
So you shouldn't.
Well, Chicken and I will definitely go and play a bit. So we gotta make sure Chicken is on the right level, you know.
That did not work. Chicken, why do you have such an annoying name?
Chicken says, Claudia, you're about to get 10K off of you. Well, I don't know. Do you have a bet, Claudia and Chicken? Because the bet between Celine and me, that's a 10K, 20K bet, but...
No, I don't believe I did bet anything, no.
You should.
No.
No, I can't remember. No,
I'm trying
I
to
don't.
Chicken some money here. Come on now.
We'll leave it at the 10K.
Pride should be enough.
Yes. Agreed.
Unless I win, then I want 10K.
We are going to win, Claudia. That's the thing. Put money on the line because you know we are going to win.
Yeah.
Chicken just said, I bet 10K. I don't remember that. I don't think we have that in writing either.
No, he's saying that now.
Oh.
No, to be fair, that's why I was joking because we did. Like.
Oh, you
a few
did?
months- Yeah.
Oh, you
that's
did
why-
that 10K?
Yeah, on a London stream, whenever I was in Ireland, we did. And that's why I was like, no, I don't think I did, because I was trying to get out of it.
Okay. So she did bet 10K. Now we have proof.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, look, it is what it is. I'm excited for it. It's going to be good. I'm ready.
You better be ready, lady.
I am ready. Just as I'm ready for the Mario Kart race in T-minus 40 minutes.
Well, we'll see. We'll see about that. We will see about that. Kefas, yeah, you're the referee anyway, so
Me?
you please take a copy of this recording.
This guy Chad said, Celine, you and Claudia looking like you're getting some sun and exercise, but Nick, he's looking Swiss. Tell him to get outside.
Wow, Chad. Wow.
He's looking Swiss.
I am Swiss, so it makes sense, kind of.
What's this summer like there now? Are you having warmer days?
Right now, it is cloudy and actually a bit cold. However, tomorrow it starts. The weather starts to be nice again, and we're gonna actually tomorrow meet Chicken.
Oh,
Nice.
Yep.
nice.
Gonna go to the mountains, make a fire, grill some meat. It's gonna be
Oh,
good.
nice.
Yep.
Some filet?
Duh, with ketchup, duh.
Nice.
Yeah. Damn, how does Congo Man know even that? That's crazy.
What did he
So
say?
there's a big referendum in Switzerland happening in 2 days,
Oh,
where
wow.
basically we vote if the borders are gonna be closed, quote unquote, once population reaches 10 million. So it's a very, very big one for the country.
Yeah, wow.
How do you know that, Congo Man?
He knows everything.
He knows everything. It's crazy.
Well, if he's going to be such a great trader, he probably knows about everything happening in the world.
Yeah, I mean,
Things that...
yesterday, I said this was one of the biggest overnight sessions ever, like the overnight session the day before, right? And immediately he's like, yeah, this is the 7th time we had over 2 standard deviations since 2001. He has all the stats.
Francisco, who are you?
He says, I'm trying to get in before it closes. Well, Current population in Switzerland, let's see. 9.1 million. So you have about 900,000 people left. Better be fast. Take
So
your
as in once it
BMW
hits,
i3 Rex and get your ass over here.
once it hits 10 million, like no more people like foreigners will be allowed in, right?
Pretty much. That's the easy summary, yes.
Okay, yes.
Sorry guys, I'm just gonna disconnect quickly to try and connect AirPods. Just to fix the audio. It'll be 2 seconds.
Dude says I'm Nick's mama, that's wild.
I'm Nick's mama. Joe Mama?
Joe Mama.
Joe Mama.
Apparently.
But
Okay.
people will still be able to holiday there, right? Like, is that a stupid question?
Yeah, of course. Holidays is not the same as immigrating, you know?
I want to come in. I really want to, well, first I need to train first. I need to do ski lessons. I need to practice. And then...
Yeah, before you can ski, you can't come. That's actually one of the requirements to get a visa in Switzerland.
Well, I have to like audition with my skis.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Well, I will get
Actually,
practicing.
fun fact, where my fiance is from, like where she grew up in Switzerland,
Yeah.
that's the place where they do the grass ski world championships. in summer.
Grass skiing. What is that?
I'll show you.
I've never
Grass
heard of
Skifahren.
that.
Here.
Grass
ski,
ski. Wow.
It looks
Wait,
so dumb.
do they actually get speed? Like,
Yeah, it's not actual skis. Look, it's like kind of I don't know what the word is, but the same as a
We call-
tank has.
yeah. But they look
What's it
sort
called?
of,
What's the English
like-
word for that?
oh, actually, I don't know the English word for that, but I was gonna say they look like roller skates, sort of.
Yeah, pretty much.
But I know what
But
you're
it's
talking about, like on the bottom of the
not
tanks.
wheels. It's what's the word? Oh, tracks. There we go.
Oh yeah, tracks. Yeah, you called that.
There we go.
Oh, that's cool.
Fried chicken. Other than cheese, what do the Swiss eat? Chocolate. Just
Yes,
cheese and
we were
chocolate.
having
That's
this
our
discussion
diet.
yesterday. Potatoes, cheese, and chocolate.
And steak with ketchup, of course.
That's more of a your household specialty. I don't think that's Swiss.
Oh shit! The giveaway.
Oh yeah.
We forgot again. Wait, let me check if the stupid guy is back. Well, we had somebody who filled out the form with Nick is my daddy 10 times.
Again.
So, gotta delete that one. And then let's see if we have the other guy as well. Nope. Good. All right. Also today, let's ask Claudia. Is she back? Because I'm not on the screen right now.
Yeah, she's back.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay. Claudia, today is SpaceX IPO. What are your thoughts on that?
I was looking at putting money into it, but I don't know. I'm scared that it's going to be a pump and dump, so I'll see. Or else I'm scared that whenever it gets launched, it's going to actually go under the first asking price. I don't really know the terminology of like stocks and shares, but I'm just going to wait and see what happens with it, and then maybe get into it a bit later on. What about you guys?
I'm definitely not gonna.
I'm not touching
Definitely
it.
not gonna put money in that.
No.
What's the chat thinking? All right, let's while the chat says that or answers that, let's pick a winner for the first giveaway of the day. Spinning the wheel of names. The first winner is bada bing bada bong. Chain Main. Oh, Congo Man says it's tough to get it. It pops 31.88% by 90-minute open. Guys, I don't doubt that he's right.
What did he say?
That SpaceX IPO, it's going to pop 31.88% by 90-minute open. Chain Main says, no way. Yes way, Chain Main. Now let's see what you win.
I just entered longs as well. Sorry, I was a little bit quiet there. I'm in longs.
You good? Nice.
Belongs.
So Chain Main, you are getting. Oh damn, that's a lightning. That's a lightning.
Cool.
Nice. You're getting a 50k lightning funded account. So Jane Main, all you're gonna do right now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your 50k lightning funded account within the next 7 days. Congrats. Massive.
Congrats.
Damn, Celine, you're not fading me. That's crazy.
I know. What is this?
Wait, Francisco, are you the mama of everybody? If Jane Main is your baby and you're Nick's mama.
He is. I really am very curious as to who this guy is.
I'm curious if he's actually from the Congo. Kind of like, I don't doubt it, you know?
Yeah.
But I still doubt it.
From the Congo.
I mean, where else could he be from?
We might have to go make a Tradeify trip out there to the Congo. Next Tradeify meetup.
Visit Congo, man.
Yeah. He seems to have all the sauce.
I mean, so far he hasn't been wrong. Not a single time. And he has done a bunch of predictions. I'm Nick's AI. Oh, shh.
Oh. I mean, I was going down that. That was my next guess. If he wasn't actually Nick's alt, then it was probably something Nick has created to infiltrate the chat.
No.
It's steak and ketchup. We'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. One day we'll get Francisco on the stream, and if he refuses, then we know.
Well, we'll see. CMA asks, Nick, for the giveaways, what are the exact steps a participant needs to follow to be eligible? Sir, you are disqualified for the rest of the day.
The way he said it so professionally.
Yeah.
Selena, you in longs? Yes, I'm currently in longs. I have my entry at 29316 and then stops at 29255.
Most says new segment, Congo Corner, where we get his day's prediction.
Oh, yes.
The Congo Corner, that's wild. I mean, we could, I guess.
Celine, will you be learning the Greek language? A few of you are asking this. I do know a little bit to get by, guys. Like I like my fiance is Greek, and I have had to learn Greek as the years have gone on. But I obviously will learn it, but not. I don't think I'll ever be fluent. That's the thing.
Well, I mean, if you speak it long enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, just practice it. It's so much easier to learn a language when you're actually living in the country that speaks that language.
Yeah, it's true. Like, yeah, I feel like being around it, I'll probably pick up on like different ways to like, you know, I know like the basics, like how to order a drink or like, nice. I don't know how to say thank you and things like that. But actual like the topics of things that people are talking about, like weather or like, I struggle. But I'll pick up on that.
Yeah, you will. You will. So for your longs, Celine, what's your target and where's your
So the targets are right now I want to take a partial at 1-to-1. And then beyond that, the high of this, so basically it's around 29471 is the full TP, and it's around the high on the 1 minute of just before we dropped. So basically the start of this price leg that moved down, just to see if we can get back up there. I don't know how right now it's not looking too good. I've been sitting in drawdown since I entered, but I'm size small in this 2 micros, so we'll see how it ends up.
Read Francisco's comment, Celine.
Okay, wait, I gotta look at it. Okay, yeah, that is They said 2 types of people in the world: 1, Greeks, and 2, those that want to be Greek. Yes.
Tell your fiance's mama and you're golden.
I will. I'll tell her. Yeah, this trade is not looking good.
Depends how you look at it. My view is you're in longs and it's going lower. So now you're getting a better entry.
Well, you could look at it that way.
Why did you mute yourself?
Sorry, the door just closed and it was going to be really loud. So I just had to mute so that didn't take over the mic. But yes, you could look at it that way, but I mean, it's not over.
I do look at it that way.
Positive outlook. Positive outlook. Okay.
And it's logic.
Well, it's
If
not
you buy
over.
low, if you buy low and you sell high, if you buy low and it goes lower, now you get to buy lower. So you get a bit of buy.
That is true.
Actually, Francisco, that was my when I traded before I traded like this. If a position would go negative, immediately I would be like, oh shit. Now it goes into drawdown. I'm like, oh fuck yeah. I'm pissed if it doesn't go into drawdown. Claudia, any trades you're seeing right now?
I'm waiting for gold to potentially take out these lower time frame lows here. I feel like it could push up again towards daily open and maybe the daily high up here. So we're seeing some consolidation here around a previous day's New York Open and London Open. So it could potentially, if it wants to come back up there and take out that side liquidity, might see a push down and then a push up, hopefully quick rejection off the top of London Open, and then look for a buy. So it looks like it's breaking these lows now, and then I just want to see how it reacts. If it stays below the lows, then it could be that it's heading back down to fill in this imbalance here from that big spike up last night, or else head back towards these equal lows down here, because there is a lot of liquidity risk in there, because price kind of moved sideways here for around 19 hours. So there's a lot of liquidity in there. So I feel like if price is going to shoot up and change to an uptrend on the higher time frames, it's going to want to come and take that liquidity first. Sorry, I keep getting messages from Romans. Yeah, so I will just going to wait and see how price basically after it takes out these lows, and then it would be really nice if price came up to about that high and then drop. That would be beautiful, because then I could catch a buy and then into a sell, but we'll see.
All right, well, I don't trade gold, but it sounded smart.
Yes. Whatever Claudia says on gold, guys, just go with it.
Oh no, don't. I'm not. I'm often wrong.
What do you mean? Could never. You could never.
Oh, this is an interesting question here. Gerhard is asking, how long do you all hold positions on average? I'll start on this, Gerhard. I usually am in trades throughout the entire day. So I get to the charts at around 8 a.m. my time, which is 2 a.m. Eastern time. And then I get in trades, and I'm in trades until 10 p.m. my time, 10:30 p.m. my time. Or I even hold overnight, so the entire day, basically. What about? But I mean, until we make money on it. What about you guys, Celine?
I could be in a trade like for up to 30 minutes, like really max. I think I've definitely held trades on here during the London session longer these days. Sometimes like an hour, but never like 2 hour, 3 hour holding. I've never been in that position.
Sorry, I missed the question. Was it how long do we hold our trades for?
Yep.
Usually a few hours. Or if I'm trading CFDs, I'll hold it overnight if it's a nice entry. But yeah, average is like 1 to 3 hours really. It just depends. Sometimes it can hit within an hour, other take it a bit longer, but there's no like price action hasn't told me that the trade or it hasn't like stumped analysis, so I'll just hold it until either price tells me I buy or just hold it until the market closes, really. It varies.
Right. So you hold trades long as well? Okay, let's see. My targets, since I'm lighter sized now, my targets are a bit higher than they were before, because I had to take, as a reminder, I had to take some losses off, because if it would have dropped further, I would have hit DLL, which I'm not planning to do, right? So I'm lighter sized, therefore targets are higher. Highest target is at 563.25. I'm not looking for this to hit in the next 5 minutes. If it does, so be it. But there we go with the holding time. It's like, if I have to hold it until end of this session, like session being the actual trading day session, which is 5 p.m. Eastern, then so be it. I'll do that.
I've just entered a buy. Let me pull up.
On gold?
Yeah, gold, it's just lows, like it's pushing. So I've give my, sorry, am I lagging now because I pulled up Tradeify? Or is it good?
You're lagging. You are lagging.
Okay, hold on, let me. Yeah, I think it's whenever I use Chrome. Okay, so good now?
More or less, yeah.
Okay, so sweet. So wick those lows there. I was going to wait, maybe get wick rejection, etc. But it's a low risk trade, risking $300 for 600, and my TP is below the daily open. So even if price wants to dump today, it's higher probability that it'll want to come up and take out sellers from the daily open before it does drop, if it does drop. So we've taken that liquidity down from these lows, enter in a buy. If price pushes up daily open, then so I will move my stop loss to break even if price heads towards this high here, so around this area. I'll take risk off just in case it doesn't want to break that previous high.
Russell says,
oh yeah, go.
Russell says she's getting stopped for sure. Well, Russell, if you're so sure that she's getting stopped out, are you taking the gold shorts? That's the real question. Damn, you get internet mugged by the Congo man. He says, I think your internet is from the Congo.
Just an update, by the way, on those trades. I was just trying to work out what the hell I did with the funded account. So the micros I've taken off on the funded, I somehow screwed up. I don't know. I was trying to exit micros on the evals that I accidentally entered in. Anyway, execution error. So I'm off on the micros on the funded, took a small profit there. But now I'm trading this same setup on evals now with minis. So this is the longs. I'm still in it. Same positions. I just entered on the minis a bit later. But yeah, done. I don't know what was happening there with the micros. It's all sorted now. I ended up just closing the trade early.
Nice. AC84, did I manage to take profit on the shorts yesterday? Yes, absolutely did. Absolutely we did. Who is Congo man? Well, if anybody knew,
we would love to know.
We would hold him hostage and get all the knowledge out of him, because he knows things that the average trader doesn't know, apparently. Yeah, Kunald, that was yesterday. Trump chicken out again. It was a Taco Thursday. Again. Oh wait, he went from being my mama to being my older brother.
Who are you, Francisco?
Well, my older brother definitely has no idea about trading, like literally zero. He studied chemistry and sports, and he's a teacher. If I will put him in front of a chart, he would not know what to do.
Same with Hannah, but you guys don't believe me.
No, Hannah's a market maker. We know that. Don't lie. And she's in your basement. I'm gonna call the police.
That is true. She is in the basement.
See?
Wax says he streams. I'm sure I saw him a few days ago. Do you want me to find it? Francisco streams?
Francisco is Hannah.
No. Could you imagine? Plot twist. Francisco is Hannah in disguise.
That would be so funny. All right, I'm back in profit, quote unquote, for the current average I have on the 5 MNQs. However, overall in a loss because I took off the losses. But we'll see. I'm still confident.
I'm also up on this trade from in evals on these 2 minis, and one contract is being hopefully taken off at 29,378.50. If we get up there, that'll be the first partial.
A partial. Just watching here. For me, first partial is 438.75. Actually, no, 463.25.
63.
Yep. So
Okay.
100 points here.
Yeah, my full TP is 66.
Wait, but 466?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It would be 140 points if it gets up there.
Let's see. Let's see. So, did you test your internet for Mario Kart, Celine?
Actually, let me do that now. Give me a second.
Well, let me open a room and let's see if you can connect to it, because that
Okay.
was the issue last time, right?
Okay, I'll be back. Let me just get that switch off the charge. I'll be right back.
All right. And she's gone. How's your trade looking, Claudia? You're muted. Can't hear you. Maybe you need to reconnect your AirPods or something. I don't know. The video ninja. Brother Yeoman. Yeah. Now
How
you're
about
good.
now?
Now,
Good?
yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. So it is currently floating around 9 points in profit. It's looking nice. Price is back at London Open now. So either it's going to dump and take me out, or else it could hopefully push above these highs, pull back into the London Open, and then shoot towards Daily Open. So around almost a third of the way to TP now. I think I'm probably going to reduce my stop loss to below this low soon if it comes around here, just to reduce risk. And then as price pushes closer towards TP, I'll take risk off altogether. But I think my first step will be just putting it below that low, just to still give price a little bit of room. But yeah, looking good so far.
Nice. Nice. Okay. NQ is pushing back up as well. Let's see what we can do with this.
All right, I'm connected.
You are connected. Okay, wait. Let me give you the code really quick. I'll send it to you on Slack.
So I go online play, right?
Yep. And then you need a subscription if you don't have it.
should have it. Oh no, maybe it's run out. Oh, we hit TP1, by the way. TP1 has been hit.
Nice.
So
Nice.
floating. I'm gonna just move to break even on this.
Well done.
And just let the rest run now. Nice.
All right. So I'll send you the code, Celine, in Slack, and then try if you can connect. 1 second.
Something really weird in Tradeify is happening. I don't understand. If you look at my trading view screen here, this is the account I'm trading.
Wait, I gotta zoom in.
This 2 contract sell stop is not in my Tradeify screen. It's not here.
That's odd.
It doesn't make sense. That's what was happening before when I had set limits on the fundeds. They weren't there, so like this doesn't make sense. I can see it in Tradeify. But now the opposite is happening. Now I can see the limits or the stops in TradingView, but not on my Tradeify screen. I don't know what's happening. I'll just have to close it manually. Off there. Okay, all good. Remember, we can switch back.
Go to my screen. Yeah.
I think there's a glitch in Tradeify potentially.
There we go. Yeah, just have an eye on it. That's important.
Yeah. Okay. This is still loading. I just have like a white screen right now. I've got to get the subscription. Oh, the dogs have started again. Can you hear them?
I hear them. It's Hannah barking.
Yeah. Oh no, wait. Damn it, I need to shut this door. 1 sec.
And she's gone again. Okay, chat, take a bet. Is Celine's internet good enough for Mario Kart? She said when she was in Australia, now she actually said in Bali, in Australia it's going to be good enough. Then she was in Australia and she said, oh, it's still not working. It's going to be good enough in Greece. So take a guess.
Right now I'm stuck on a loading screen. So that's not fun.
Sounds great.
Let me see. Why is this happening? Like I'm just getting this. Just like a white loading screen when I'm opening the game.
Well, reset.
Restart.
Reset the whole thing.
Seriously, there's dogs. I don't know what is happening.
Francisco says if she wins, yes. If she loses, no. Well, the last couple of times she wasn't even able to connect.
Yeah, that is true.
You know, if your internet is good enough and you can actually connect, here's what we're going to do today. It's going to be a bit different. We're going to do Mario Kart teams. So one team is Celine and 5 viewers. And one team is me and 5 viewers. And it's Team Celine versus Team Nick. And whichever team wins, every single person on that team gets a 25k growth account.
Oh, that is good.
That's fun.
That's what we're going to do.
Everyone wants to be on Team Celine, trust me.
Sure.
If I can get this working.
I don't.
Yeah, we know you do. Please wait. Okay, I'm waiting. Nintendo eShop.
Where do we play Mario Kart? Well, on the Switch. Oh yeah, Mario Kart King. If you and I are on the team, it's definitely over.
Oh no. No, we can't have Brandon, you have to be on my team. There's no way. All right.
Team Claudia, says Inicio.
I'm just on the sidelines today.
Give me a sec. I'm just gonna get the subscription. And then
Do your thing. I'm still in this trade chat. Nothing has changed. As said, my first target is, you can see it on screen, but I'm still going to call it out because there will be people who say, I can't see it. So 29,463.25, then 29,470.25, then 29,501.25, then 29,518.25, and then 29,563.25. That's the last target.
Okay, I literally have to fill out the card details, so give me a few minutes now. Oh, I should have done this before.
Yeah, not me telling you on Wednesday, make sure you're set up for Friday and be ready with everything.
Got the subscription.
I didn't say that, so.
All right, wait, now give me another minute, Roman. I have to go get my card.
Oh, chat.
My trade's looking a bit sad now. It's back at entry.
Well, that's not sad.
However, my entry was, so obviously I'm using XAU, but trading on micro gold. So for those looking at this on the micro gold, so my entry was 4198.70. So a couple of points below whole level 4,200. So I'm hoping to see a spike up. My TP's 4,230. My stop loss is at 4,183. So it is a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But I think yeah, it's made some highs there at London Open. I think as soon as price breaks above those highs, taking risk off and moving stop loss here. So I just want to see another burst up and then I can take risk off. Hopefully.
All right.
This could be a really bad.
That's the most important thing. You have to plan for what you're going to do if either scenario happens.
I'm only using 2 micros anyway. It's $300 risk.
All right. Kifa says, next break. Oh, excuse me, I have to go. Feed Hannah. Oh, God. Mo says, Nick, why did you surprise Celine with Mario Kart? Oh, man. I literally told her on Wednesday. It's
guys,
crazy.
I forgot about the subscription. I'm almost ready.
Sure. No problem, Celine, no problem. It's all good. Oh, we got 1,000 viewers. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nice.
Up, everybody. Now we can get 1,000 likes, can we? See, Inicio knows. Inicio is always here. He's an OG. He's always supporting. Inicio is a legend. He says 1,061 viewers. Can we get 1,000 likes for the best stream in Trade Town? Hell yeah, we can.
Yes, we can.
I believe in you, chat. I believe in you.
I'm just doing the agreement. I'm almost there.
Man, she's getting serious now, signing agreement for Mario Kart.
Seriously, why are they doing all this? Okay, I'm in. Now I should be good.
Put in the code and let's see if it works.
Wait, did it charge me? I'm glitching out. Oh my gosh.
Jad, what is the music that we play on stream? I have no idea what the name is. Shazam it.
Oh, it's because Fortnite is like updating in the background. No, we don't want this. I'm like, why is this?
Leah, I know you didn't miss the code yet. We first need to make sure we get Celine in there. And that's a mission on its own, so.
All right. I'm canceling. For some reason, all these games want update. So I've stopped all that now. It's just taking so long. All right. I'm just going to test the internet real quick. Test connection. This is connected to Starlink, so this should be a strong connection. And that type B, is that good?
I don't think it's enough, but we'll see.
What? Still with Starlink? Okay.
Calvin says, keep quiet. I want to Shazam the song. Okay, let's all be quiet for 10 seconds. Now. Done. If you didn't Shazam that, you were too slow.
Too bad.
Claudia's playing which team? I don't know. She said she's the referee, so she has to be
can't
neutral.
play. I'm not able to play today. I don't have a Nintendo Switch. I have FOMO, but I'm gonna get one. So the first thing I'm gonna do after this stream is I'm going straight to buy a Nintendo Switch.
There you go.
Yes.
There you go.
All right, you guys are gonna kill me. I have to go through the purchase again. It didn't go through. I don't know what's going on.
Yep.
I put in all the details and then I was like, I thought I'd agreed to all the agreements and it didn't go through.
Well. All right, my trade is now 40 points over my average.
Nice.
Keep in mind, overall still at a loss because I took off the losses at the bottom. Want to be transparent here. But if we hit all the TPs, we should be good.
Nice. I am also floating.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
there we go. There's the pop.
Nice. Oh, almost TP.
On gold as well.
Yes.
That was close. Almost got the first TP. Very close.
Oh.
Was that news? Did Financial Juice have anything?
It doesn't look like a news candle. I'm checking, but this is just a stop out candle.
Gold keeps doing this lately, just like random little volatile burst candles outside of news.
Like this doesn't look like a news candle though. Like
no,
just compare it. Compare it to the news candle. That's a news candle.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
This is not a news candle.
But like it's definitely moving a little different than it usually does.
But I'll take
I was actually about to close that out at break even, but then it spiked up there, so I'm just going to hold it and see what happens.
All right, almost there.
Almost there.
I'm at break even now, so if this wants to drop all the way back down, go for it. Okay. Yes. Agree. What do I do?
What's that?
Confirm.
Confirm.
Okay, yes. Okay. The agreement. We're back to the agreement. Scrolling.
You're doing the scrolling method?
Yeah, the old scrolling method. Okay, press A, okay. Okay. What? Why is it on a contact us page?
Why am I not surprised?
Like, okay, what does it want me to do next?
People want to play Mario Kart. They're all waiting on you.
What is going on?
Yeah, rip to Russell
The
Short.
size of the page, not all content could be displayed. Try to I don't know why we're in this page. I just want to agree to the agreement.
Justin says, Nick, are you a SpaceX investor? No. You couldn't be unless you got access to early rounds, but I'm not and I won't be.
Okay, I'm trying again. I mean, I think I'm in.
Well, not in the room.
All right, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna do it on my computer.
What? Play Mario Kart on your computer?
No, the subscription.
Can you do that?
No, you can't. That was a joke.
Oh.
This is the last time.
The excitement in Claudia's face. She's like,
why could I play? My trade's nearly at TP.
Roman, they want to see
10
Claudia's
points.
chart and switch to hers.
10 points away. If it just keeps
Nick,
pushing
help.
up, then.
Nick, I seriously don't know what the issue is here.
What is the issue?
Look,
like, what are you seeing on your screen?
Membership. I'm going through this thing over and over again. I go through membership.
Show it again. I had to make you full screen.
Yeah, it's just this. The membership
You
screen.
can't see shit. Yeah, and then?
Then proceed to purchase membership. Yep.
And then?
It's loading.
I've just reduced my stop loss there to below the previous low. So my open to risk was $300. Now it's 160, so I've halved it just in case price turns around.
All right.
Nice. I am very close to hitting TP here. Let's see what happens. All right, card. The card details in.
Justin says, Celine, you have to press agree.
If you select skip this step in future, you will no longer need to sign into your. Okay, whatever. Just skip. I did press agree. Sign in with QR code. What?
You have to log into your account.
I am. It's not the first time I've purchased a Nintendo subscription. I don't know why this is happening.
Well, it sure looks like it.
Well, it's not. Clearly, I've had a subscription before this. We did verse on here. Use another method to sign in.
All right, TP1 almost hit 0.25.
Almost
One
there.
tick away, actually. Not very close. But since that's first TP and I want to hold higher anyways, I'm not going to pull it down. Usually I would pull it down, but that was very, very, very close. We're going to get it though. No fear.
I'm very close. Oh, oops.
Jane Bond says, Nick, you're so rude and arrogant. Fuck. Sure.
This is really, really... Now I'm logging in again.
Kwang Chu says DCA. Well, not here. I'm in profit. Cheeseballs, my last TP is 563.25.
I came like a tick away as well. Did your TP... Oh, you're very close
It
to
didn't
mine.
hit, but now it did.
Oh, there we go. TP smash.
No, it did.
Nice.
So at this point, because we got TP1 and looks like we're gonna get more than TP1, I just want to give a very, very, very special shout out to my boy Donut Troitz or Donut Roitz, who said, "Why is he logging this? LMAO?" And that's why.
There's always one.
There's always one.
Oh, we're having some issues here on the accounts, Nick. Please, I don't know what my password is now. Can I take a rain check?
Can you do what?
I can't. I'm under so much pressure. I don't know what my password is now to log into my account. I think
Just
that's...
to forgot password, maybe?
Do I have time? If you guys allow me some time, I can work this
we've
out.
been waiting a very long time, but
Well,
sure.
you're gonna... If you really want me to play today, you're just gonna have to allow the time. I need to...
Yeah, do it, but do it fast.
Yeah, I'm trying. There's a lot of pressure now. There's like 1,000 people waiting to see this race.
Yes, that's why you should do it fast.
Okay, they've sent it to my account. I'm just working with a very slow switch as well. I don't know why. Scan.
He's already preparing the excuses for after. Already preparing the excuses.
Scan the QR code using your smart device. Okay. Yes.
Are you guys still holding long?
Yep.
Sorry.
Not me.
Still holding long, sir. Nice. Okay.
My next target is 501.25, then 518.25, and then 563.25. As I said before. Mario Kart King says, Nick, why didn't you tell Celine to be ready for Mario Kart days ago?
Stop it.
Oh man, that's funny.
I can't do things under pressure. Please enter your
Well,
or the nickname to confirm.
what you're
You're in the
trading,
wrong job
Celine,
then.
that's literally what you're doing every single day.
Yeah, but this is different. I hate when... Okay, just wait. It's coming. Select a new password. Cool.
It's so funny how you can take trades in front of 1,000 people on live stream, but signing a Nintendo Switch agreement stresses you out. That's your like threshold.
Oh boy.
For real. Okay, new password set. All right. Okay. Let's sign in now.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe that was the issue. It didn't tell me that.
If that says password Congo man.
Okay. Well, oh. Okay. Are we in?
Celine Fan Club says I'm going to change my name to Claudia Fan Club. Damn.
Oh no.
Damn.
Okay, wait. I'm back on the screen. This looks good now. I think the problem was that I wasn't logged in, signed in. Purchase.
Duh.
But it wasn't prompting me for that. Oh,
Uh-huh.
card payment. It's come through on the mobile. All right. Thank you. Individual membership. Locked in. Confirm. That's all I literally need to do. Okay. We're good. Logging in. Connecting. I'm only 8 minutes late. Okay, what do I do? Global or friends and rivals?
I'm currently up 140 points. I'm looking for 100 more from here. And that would be final TP.
Let's go. All right, Nick, I'm in friends and rivals, tournament, regional. Do I go global?
You go and put the code in. Join room with code.
Yeah, it's friends and rivals. Okay. All right, entering code room. The room code. Code room. All right.
Chat, watch her get the notification. The internet is not fast enough. Can't wait. We'll just wait 30 minutes for her to join for the notification to say the internet is not fast enough.
Wait, I'm in. Koopa Trooper. Yes. Searching for players.
Oh, she's actually in, chat. She's in.
Oh, I'm in.
She's actually in. That's crazy. All right. Everybody, get ready. Here's the code. For those of you who know how to join Mario Kart, this is the code. Do not copy paste this code in the chat. This is not a giveaway code. This is just the Mario Kart.
All right, we got there, guys. Oh, that
Finally.
was a disaster.
Okay, I'm gonna connect the Switch to my computer so we can stream it.
I've never had to re-sign in on the Switch ever. I don't know why it was signed out in the first place, but that was stupid.
Yeah. No, I'm really glad I told you on Wednesday and you actually got ready. That's perfect. Thank you so much for being prepared.
You're welcome. Well, now it should be prepared every week. It's all good. I've signed in.
Oh, damn. We already got a bunch of people in there. Dang. Crazy.
This is going to be so much fun. All right. So who do we decide who's on whose team?
Well, I think it's random.
Okay.
Would be my guess, but I don't know. One moment. Gonna set up everything for streaming. All right. Okay, this is perfect time too, because my trade is very nicely in profit. I'm not worried about that. I don't have to work it. I just have to wait and take profit. If it comes down below 328.50, of course, I'm going to add more to it. But for now, we're just waiting for TPs to hit. So yeah, we're ready for Mario Kart.
We are ready.
Do we have 12 people in there already? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I really
okay,
wish
we have three more spots. 3 more spots.
Yeah, me too. Next time.
Oh, Jane Main is in here. Jane Main already won an account today, so Jane Main could win 2 accounts. Again, chat, the rules, or the rules are, we're gonna make 2 teams, right? One team is Celine and 5 viewers, and then one team is me and 5 viewers. And whichever team wins, all the viewers on that team get a free 25k growth account.
It's on. Team Celine. Team Celine. Team Celine.
We have 3 more spots. So if anybody has a Switch, wants to join.
What game is that? This is the game. It is Mario Kart. The OG game of all games.
Mm-hmm.
The Jack says Team Claudia.
Just remember, chat, in my team, we don't have a stop loss.
Chat, just remember I was born playing Mario Kart. Okay, just remember that.
She popped out like playing already. Richard, there is no link. It's Mario Kart. You play it on Switch.
Oh, Russell wants to be on my team. Let's go, Russell. We'll take him down.
Okay, at least one more person has to join, because right now it's an uneven number. One more person, please join. The code is
Leia in here? Is Kiz in here?
I don't know. The code is FJH2G.
Justin, I was sure of Team
Yeah,
Celine.
Mario Kart King, you and I versus Russell and Celine. That's great.
Yeah, that's great.
Perfect.
Except Brandon's actually really good, so I would be scared about that.
Brandon is a legend. I mean,
Cam Bam, is this Celine? You always say you were born to win and then disappoint me. I had bets going. Now I have to eat noodles for a month.
So far, every single time she did, yeah.
Mario, Celine's first words, yippee!
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need at least one more person. Come on. One more person with the Switch.
Kiz can't today. Damn it.
Is there not a single person in the chat with a Switch right now?
See, now I'm not the only one holding us up.
Well, if we would have started this 30 minutes ago, then we definitely would have the person by now.
Dr. Dolly says how to join. Go, if you've got your Switch, go to Mario Kart Deluxe 8, join via, you go friends and rivals, and then global, and then put the, or something like that, and put the lobby code in.
Mo says, Nick, can you remind Celine about the paddle game? I'm sure she will act surprised on the day.
What paddle game?
Well, we got proof. I got the timestamps. I got everything, so.
Order.
Gonzalo is asking, is Claudia Portuguese?
No.
She's Irish. She's Conor McGregor's cousin.
You couldn't tell by the accent?
Portuguese.
LSG's asking for the link. It's the lobby code. Lobby code is pasted in the chat.
Yep.
I'll paste it again.
Yeah, Russell just pasted it 1,000 times, so.
Okay.
We might have to kick somebody out. I don't know. Like last time we were so quick with 12 players.
This is sad. No, I think people are scared of me though. This probably makes more sense.
Only Evil says I sold my Switch to get more accounts. Otherwise, I would have been in there for 100%. Dude, you can't sell your Switch. You get free accounts if you win. Is she actually MacGregor's cousin? Yes, it's pretty crazy. I didn't believe it at first either, but she actually sent me proof. It's crazy.
Don't believe anything Nick says.
Yes.
Claudia's the best trader in the world.
Claudia says.
Buy gold.
All right, looks like it's gonna be a 4v5. I'm down. I'm gonna be team with the 4.
Nice. Let's do it.
Okay, teams, standard 4 races as usual. The question is, how are the teams gonna be formed? Okay, Celine, go over to the other team, and then Brandon, come over to me.
Wait, Nick, I can't see that screen. We can't see that.
Oh, why? Can I switch? Oh, I can switch you guys. Okay, my bad. So Brandon is on my team. So you, Celine, you got Leia, Russell, Jane Main, and Baby Mario.
Yeah,
and I got Ryan, Brandon, and Chaz. So 4v5.
Let's do it.
Oh wait, I just hit another TP.
Ooh, let's go. Nice.
Everybody click random for the race. We want
My TV just hit as well on gold.
Nice.
Well done, Claudia. W in the
Okay.
chat, Claudia.
W's.
Everybody put a big fat W in the chat for Claudia.
Oh, the temptation to jump straight into a sale when your buy closes out in profit.
I just hit my second last TP. I got one left.
Very nice. The whole London gang is banking today. Let's go.
Also, Leia hit her TP. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, Team Blue. We gotta kill these guys.
All right, let's do it.
Oh shit, this is a new track that I've never played again. Ah. Come on, Team Blue. We can do it. We can do it. Oh, I'm right behind you, Leia. I'm right behind you. Woo! Shit, I just messed up.
Oh,
I just messed up.
Got
Sorry,
it.
Team Blue. I'm gonna make sure all you guys get a free account on Team Blue.
Guys, I'm just warming up.
Yeah, that's what losers say.
As long as I beat you, I'm good.
Sure. What is this track? Oh my god. Oh, it's a pinball machine. Damn.
I've never had this track before. What the hell is this?
Yeah, same. I've never played this. It's okay. I'm gonna make it work. Ah, shit. So far, I'm messing this up. Give me the bullets. Okay, this is looking better. 3rd place now. Okay, this was stupid. God. Fucked up the drift. But Celine doesn't drift, so whatever.
You guys are good. This is very intense.
The way you said this. This is very intense.
I'm very locked in.
Are you do? Don't mess up the drift this time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, third. Let's go. Good. Good. Team Blue is winning this. Oh shit. All of us.
All of you?
All of us. Let's fucking go, Team Blue.
Damn.
Let's go. We're
This
crushing
actually
them.
sucks.
We are crushing them.
Guys, we suck. What are we gonna do? Team, we need to have a huddle. We need to have a plan.
Oh, look at those crowns. Oh, shit. Look at that. Nice. Well done, Team Blue, so far. That was race 1. Oh, and now it's the...
What is it out of? Do you do 3 games?
No, 4.
4.
Now
Nice.
comes the cow race.
What happens if it's 2-2?
Woohoo! Memory Meadows.
What do you mean if it's 2-2? It's overall points. Like whichever team has
got
the
you.
most points overall.
Right, got you.
All right, let's do this.
All right, Team Blue, let's get it. Let's bank.
Come on,
Right
we can come
behind
back
you,
from this,
Brandon.
Team Red. We can come back.
Right behind you,
Remember,
Brandon.
it's good to be at the back in the beginning of the race.
Mm-hmm.
Don't take the positions too early. Lock in. Stay close to the back until the last lap.
No stop loss, Team Blue, no stop loss. No fear.
Let's go. Make sure you're getting those items. It's the only way.
Nice.
Guys, don't attack each other. Team Blue.
Red is killing themselves. Nice.
Guys, I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to grab a drink.
Okay.
For 2 seconds.
Yep, sure.
Go, go.
Boom. 1 red down. Nice.
See ya.
I need to see. You missed.
Oh, shit.
You missed.
There
Nice,
we
Brandon.
go.
I see you. Take this shortcut.
How am I 9th? I feel like I should be first the way I've been playing.
Oh shit! Sorry, Brandon. Ah, that was stupid. My bad.
Okay, last
My
lap.
bad.
Everybody, push now. Push.
Oh, Brandon, you gave it back to me. We're so dumb. We're taking each other out.
Oh my gosh.
That was stupid.
I almost beat him.
Nice, Brandon. You still got the.
Team
Still
Red,
first.
we're still slacking. We're still not good enough. This really sucks. Can we?
Oh, I got full TP, by the way.
Oh, nice.
We out of here.
Nice trade. W's in
Yeah,
the
shout
chat
out to
for
the
Nick's
guy.
trade.
Shout out to the guy who said, "Why is he longing this?" Ooh.
Big W's in the chat for Nick's trade. W's in the chat for Claudia's trade. Everyone is banking today.
And W's in the chat for Lynn's trade too.
And why not?
What's the poll saying, by the way?
Yeah, what are they saying?
Oh, Nick's team, 59%.
Oh, I see them changing it up now. Is it over for us, red team? I think it is.
How are you saying this after 2 races? What is this track again?
Oh no, I screwed the start.
You screwed the start? Did you actually press it too early?
Yes.
Oh shit, I just screwed the fucking...
Huh.
Oh god. Whatever. Doesn't matter.
What is this track?
Yeah, I don't know this track. It's hard.
I am back.
Hello,
fine.
welcome back. I mean, so far, it's not looking good for me. I can say that.
Also me. Oh no. Oh no. I keep finding these like, oh wait, maybe this is a cheat way.
You what?
I'm finding little different eggs on this map, but I have no idea if it's helping because I'm still lost. Damn it. Come on, red team.
Ooh, Chaz, you almost killed me. God, we're together.
Red team, we can still come back from this.
No, you really can't. Because literally the entire blue team is in the lead right now. All of us. On this race. And in general.
He's just trying to get in our heads.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Just messed up bad though. And into the hole.
These are terrible maps. Seriously. I'll take 5th.
Yeah, I messed up in the end. It's okay though. That's okay.
Blue team is sadly still winning, guys.
Yeah, we already won. It's over. It's over. I messed up and we even won.
Yeah, Russell, we've lost.
Last one.
All right, safe to say I need to practice a bit more. I did beat you in that last one.
Wait, there's a guy in the chat who says, first time I saw you winning, guys, no hard feelings for the trades. Dude. Sure. Yeah, sure.
Yes, this was our first ever win.
Mm-hmm.
How does it feel, Nick?
It feels amazing. I never experienced.
I'm gonna go out and celebrate. All right, last race. Can we bring it back? We literally all need to come first, second, and third. All of us. At some point.
Yeah, even then you're not gonna make it. Just saying. We gotta.
Don't give up. He wants you to give up. Don't give up, chat. Stay in this.
Yeah, you should give up. All of you. It's literally, again, the entire blue team is in the lead. Just saying.
Seems a little bit rigged to me.
Rigged?
Still
Or how did I just tap into this trap?
See ya. Is that Celine ahead of Nick?
Looks like it. It doesn't matter because we're playing teams. Oh, blue shell. Attention there, first place. Blue shell incoming. It's the last race, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
That was so dumb.
I've just entered another buy on gold. Target
Nice.
will be
Alright.
as high. I think my
Claudia, not a trade.
Yeah, so basically prices pulled back into the daily open there. So I've entered and I'm targeting the daily high, which is up here as my TP. Bit of a bigger stop loss on this one, just in case price wants to come down and wick off this high here, tap into a flip zone. But I am hoping to see price target this high and then hopefully drop. We'll see.
Nice, Claudia.
Yeah.
Russell, you took that from me.
Let's fucking go.
This wasn't a good race.
Oh, third. Somebody overtook me in the end. Yeah. But it's the entire blue team again.
That wasn't a good race. I peaked too early on that one. Peaked too early.
All right. Blue team. 113 to 79. Let's fucking go. Well done. Well done, blue team. You deserve it.
Sorry, red team. I let you guys down. I'll take that.
Brian, Chas, and Ryan. Also, Celine has 9 points. Celine, you were the worst player out of everybody.
It's because I'm still triggered from the friggin' subscription sign up thing.
I hear excuses.
No, whatever. You guys won fair and square. Blue team, you won. Well done. Congrats. Red team, we'll do some work. And we'll come back stronger next week. But congrats, you guys won 25k growth accounts.
Yeah.
That's friggin' nice.
You did indeed. You did indeed. So everybody from the blue team, make sure, as usual, send me a photo of your Switch as well as your email address on Instagram at nickmtrades, and I will make sure you get your 25k growth account. Nice. That was good. All right, Claudia, why this trade?
Yes, talk us through it.
So I entered this buy down here because I felt like it was the highest, my TP, was there because if supply was truly in control and selling pressure had taken over again, then there was a higher probability of it taking out the daily open and then dropping. So that's why I had my TP there. So we've now taken out the daily open, but it doesn't look like it wants to turn around here. So I've waited for a pullback, wick rejection off the top of daily open is what it looks like, and then enter in another continuation. So I'd rather secure my profits and then look for a re-entry than allow a winning trade to turn into a losing one from holding it for too long. So I like to get out of my trades where price could potentially turn around, and if it doesn't, then just get back in. And this way, like, I'm risking $300 for this again, and it means that if I'm wrong, I'm still up $300 for the day across my 5 accounts, versus allowing a trade to go $600 in profit and then back to stop loss at break even or else a loss. So yeah, price is shot up there, pulled back, triggered any pending orders, taking liquidity from daily open, and now I'm expecting price to target the daily high because market open was down here, price pushed up, created this high, and then it's dropped. So it'd be nice to see if it targets this high now as well. Then same again. Ideally, I'd love to see it take out that high and then start to drop towards those higher time frame lows. But if it doesn't, if it breaks above here and stays above here, then I'll just maybe do the same again. If I'm going to still trade for the day, I just look for another continuation until price shows me it wants to turn around. So yeah.
Cool. Sounds like a plan. I'm not looking for any more trades in the session now, but I will look to trade the New York session probably again. But definitely the longs played out nicely in the London session today on NQ. That was a good trade. What's the chat saying? Claudia fan club. No, she changed her name. No, they changed her name from Celine fan club to Claudia fan club they said after the defeat I had to change my name. Damn it. No. What do I have to do to win my fan club back? But that's fair because
You have to get better at Mario Kart.
yeah, that's fair. I was defeated fair and square. That was not a good run on Mario Kart.
Mm-hmm. All right. I got Brandon sent me his email already. Now I need the other three. Not the other two.
Yeah, I feel like Russell, you're right. We definitely have to train on those maps. I've never played on some of those maps before. That was chaotic.
Interesting. So when I said that and I played against the chat, you said excuses. Well, well,
well, yeah. Well, they just, it makes all the difference when you don't know what's coming up ahead of you. It really does.
oh really? Didn't know. Okay, I'm back in 1 micro here, by the way. Hello.
Nice. Targets?
598.
Cool. Stop loss?
Never.
Marco says, to be fair, Celine signing up takes 2 hours. She barely has time left to train. Sad but true. Chat, are we in any trades? Is anyone still holding this long from the lows, or anyone just entered longs? Anyone decided to fade us today? Let us know. Tell us what you're trading.
Francisco, yes, I got filled. All of it got filled. I'm back in now in 1 micro. And yes, that's 13 of 14. Hope your BMW i3 Rex is charged now.
Becky says, waiting for a good spot to go long. Omar, just bang the shorts. Gonzalo says, do you stream every day? Yes, Monday to Friday. We stream the London session and the New York session, and sorry, the Asia session also. So we're here pretty much for every session.
Yep. That is
Silent Orbit says he's long in gold. Okay.
Francisco, I already posted the receipts, but since you're asking so nicely, sure, let me post again. Because why not? It's fun. Favorite receipt for the day. Shout out to Donut Royd, who said, why is he longing this? Laughing my ass off. Why? In caps lock too. Pretty crazy.
Pull up the guy that said my stop loss. Sorry.
Sorry, go Claudia.
Pull up the guy that said I was going to get stopped out.
Yeah, there were more receipts, I think. Didn't catch everybody.
Sorry, what you said, Celine?
I was just going to answer the Gonzalo. It's not us specifically that are awake streaming each and every session, but different hosts for different sessions. Nick is on the New York stream. We have Miriam, we have Rebecca, we have the other Nick. We have Amas also doing the Asia session. Joey. We got a big team over at Tradeify TV. Definitely tune into Asia. I mean, wherever you are in the world, definitely try tune into the Asia session and the New York session if you can.
Crazy, a year ago, there were only 3. Now, so many more hosts. Growing. There's still the third guy. I still need your email address. Third guy from my Mario Kart team. I have Yassine and I have Brandon, but there's a third one who was on our team. Oh, Claudia's fan club is growing. Crazy.
Oh, is it?
Well, Alan says Claudia fan club, but Celine fan club too. I'm kind of offended now. I don't know, but...
Hey, you had a fan club in there once. Where did he go?
Once. I don't know. The No Stop Loss fan club.
Constantine says, I've tried watching other streams for trading. They're boring. Yeah, look, not gonna lie. We're pretty cool. We're pretty fun. No, this is no more Celine
Damn, that's
fan club.
crazy.
I've been burned.
Switched up on you, Celine.
Okay.
Claudia fan club now official in the chat.
Oh, Claudia, you have officially taken over, which I'm happy with, as long as it's Claudia fan club, not a Nick one.
Well, after this Mario Kart race, Celine, where you got literal last place out of everybody,
yeah, not my.
It makes sense that it's not a Claudia fan club.
Not my best moment. Blame it on the jet lag and the travels.
What day did you arrive in Greece?
Doesn't matter.
Like 2 weeks
Does it
ago.
matter?
You can't blame it on jet lag anymore. You can blame it on jet lag for 2 days, but then that's over.
Hey, I'm still acclimatizing. Everything's new. Thanks, Kiz. Kiz is probably my number one fan club.
Probably.
Kiz? Can you confirm?
So when are you getting your PS5?
Oh, that will probably be in my new place. You're gonna have to wait for that.
All right.
Yes, thanks, Kiz. Kiz confirmed. She's my number one fan. Sling, what country are you from? Originally, I'm from Australia, Melbourne.
Melbourne.
Someone said, Claudia, can you explain your setup and how you trade? Maybe because you just went over your setup, maybe do you want to explain more in general about how you trade? A bit more about like your usual general
Yeah.
analysis? I know you went over it again, so.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind. So basically, I mostly use like price levels or opens. That's what all these lines are in my charts. So I like observing how price reacts to these levels and then deciding whether to look for a buy or a sell, basically to the next liquidity level. So for example, down here, I waited for price to come below the London Open, take out some lows here. So it took out some buyers, buy side liquidity. And then that's why I've got in a buy up towards the daily open. Now that the daily open has been taken out and price still looks bullish from here, I've waited for price to pull back into the daily open and I've entered a buy and I'm now targeting the daily high. So I'm essentially just trying to identify using expectational order flow whether price wants to push higher or lower from opens and like call levels, quarter levels, and then figuring out where the closest point of interest that is holding a lot of liquidity is for my TP. And then as price moves in my favor, just reducing my stop loss until eventually taking risk off, depending on the setup. Like for this one, I felt like it was safer just to keep stop loss below the previous low than to take risk off completely in case price came down to wick the London Open. So yeah, if just for example, just to give you some more. So if price reaches, we'll use this this quarter level here, for example. If price came down here and then broke below and stayed below, right, I'd be more inclined to look for a sell down to the previous low or the previous liquidity level. Whereas here, for example, when price wicks a level and then comes back above it, more likely to look for a buy to the next point of interest, if that makes sense. So just trying to catch continuations, essentially.
Francisco's asking, what data are you using to prove that thesis? Are you using any data?
What do you mean data?
Like historical data?
Like order book? Well, but I've used FX Replay for years to backtest and collect stats and analytics and stuff. But I don't rely on like, what's it, Bookmap or like those types of things. I don't use any of that stuff. I just have traded gold for 5 years and have backtested it and studied it a lot. It's just the way I trade it for.
He's just clarifying. He's asking for liquidity. Data for liquidity.
Just backtesting, just watching, studying price action on gold for long enough, you're able to identify where the liquidity is resting. It's just experience, really.
All right.
Yeah.
There is an interesting comment in the chat from ProSkater90. ProSkater90 says, So nobody's talking about the SpaceX IPO, potentially the biggest IPO ever, and you guys are on gold and background music. Weird. Well, Pro Skater 90, first of all, this is a futures stream. So we trade futures, okay, not stocks. Number one. Number two, we did speak about the SpaceX IPO actually in the beginning of the stream. So what's actually weird is coming onto a stream complaining about something when you haven't even watched the entire stream. So get the fuck out of here.
Also coming in like 10 minutes and like right at the very end of the stream to say something like that. Come on.
Some people.
Some people.
Some people. Bogdan says, why are you not talking about SpaceX IPO when the guy's here? Ah, true. I'm sorry.
Damn it. MQ says, don't mess with Nick. That is for sure. Facts.
Claudia training with Hannah.
What?
Yeah, I think
Hannah is locked away.
Chat, we now have proof. She said it.
I'll admit it. She screwed with the internet, so she gets the punishment. Nick, when you Slovenian Alps, says MCK Skog.
I don't know. I don't have any plans for that. Claudia Fan Club says, Nick, what about that small candle at 380? Hey, what about it? What's your question? Sanjab says, some people really don't care about any IPO because it doesn't matter. Why are you so excited? Well, yeah, lots of people are always going for new and shiny stuff, right? It's like, oh, this is amazing. This is the next big thing. So they're all hopping on the train and then they realize they're on the train that's actually years behind. But whatever, just my opinion.
Janos says, is there another round of giveaways? But we just gave away like 5 accounts.
Yep.
So...
Let's give away 5 accounts. Bogdan is asking, after the Mario Kart today, Celine, any thoughts about the paddle match?
You didn't see me skip that one?
I did. That's why I brought it up.
The paddle match is a completely different matchup. You know, me and Claudia, we're going to be fine.
We don't need internet connection.
That's what you said about
We
you
don't
and
need
Russell.
internet. We don't need drifting, any of these stupid things. We're fine.
That's what you said about you and Russell.
Yeah, me and Claudia are different. We're made for paddle.
Well, start saving up.
So much pressure.
I know. See, it's a lot of pressure. Can we talk about it when it comes around in November?
I mean, November is soon. It's in 5 months.
Yeah, but until then, we don't have to talk about it every day on stream because it's making me nervous when I shouldn't be. Okay, you guys are...
Why are you nervous? I mean, you're confident that you're going to win. Why are you nervous?
I am until I come on stream and then everyone doubts. There's too many doubters in the chat.
Then you get the chance to prove them wrong. It's nice. Collect the receipts. Print them and then bring them to the match.
I should. Bogdan just said, Sling, you let me down. I was rooting for you. I hope you don't have to renew your sub on paddle during the match day. Santana, that's quite chaotic. He said, pause, I'm actually in shorts. I was confused. Didn't remember I pressed sell. That doesn't sound good.
All right. Let's see what we do here. I'm not gonna add to this position until it drops another 109 points down. So at 370, ish would be the first time I add back into this.
So can we ask how you choose those levels for adding in?
I just like them. Buy low, sell high. And actually do it.
We'll never get it, chat. Adrian said, Claudia, inhale, exhale. Are you referring to a vape?
What? Yeah, she actually has a vaping brand. She's selling the inhale, exhale vape.
That is a great idea.
Claudia, you should.
Claudia's vapes. Claudia vapes.
I've been looking for a side hustle idea. Thank you for that one.
Oh, there you go. Nice, Inicio. Inicio says, TP hit for consistency, going to play golf now. Hell yeah, enjoy that.
Enjoy.
Nice.
Robert says, Claudia, what's your favorite food? I don't think we've asked you that before.
That's a big question. I like a lot of different type of food. We spoke about this earlier, but anything Italian is my favorite.
That's
I have an idea.
What?
I have an idea for your vape brand. It's called
What?
the V Vape.
Oh my gosh.
The V Vape. Just came to it because there was a guy asking for if I have VWAPs on my chart. So
okay.
V Vapes your brand.
Nick, that's
No,
a
those are
great
not
idea.
VWAPs. It's a 200 EMA and a 120 EMA. They're
Nick was expecting us to be like, oh, what a sick idea.
Yeah, I know he didn't get the response he wanted.
yeah.
I can wear my drug dealer hat when I'm on stream promoting my vape brand.
Sure.
Bring it back.
Sure.
V-Wape.
Adrian is asking you, Celine, where you're from in Melbourne.
The southeastern suburbs. I can say that.
The southeastern suburbs. That sounds like a ghetto.
No way. Southeast is where it's at.
Gundabai says, bro, I'm in both trades, man. Thank you, Nick. Wait, what do you mean both trades? You took the first one and now you are in this one too? Or are you in Claudia's killer trades as well? Claudia Fan Club's going to change her name if Claudia says pineapple pizza. I love pineapple pizza.
No.
Claudia, is this level an indicator? Where can I find?
No, I just use horizontal rays and lines, just drawing them up just in Trade and View. So yeah, just figure out whatever time zone you're in when the opens are. So for me, the market opens at 11 p.m. So when the market opens at 11 p.m, I'll go drop to the 1 minute, find the daily open market there. Then when the 8 a.m. candle opens, which is London open, I'll just do that throughout the day. I just mark up the opens manually. It takes like 2 seconds to do that. There is indicators for session times, but I just prefer the lines. It just suits my eyes better.
Nice. Roman, can you go to my screen really quick? Just want to answer Slayer Plays question. He's asking, where are you from, Claudia? It's actually pretty cool. You can go to Google, type in Conor McGregor. Where is he from? And then you will see Cromlin, Dublin, Ireland. And that's actually where Claudia's from, because they're cousins. I didn't believe it for a long time, but she proved it to me. It's really crazy.
The one that's made up.
It's pretty sick to be Conor McGregor's cousin, not gonna lie. Like,
That's why you should be scared, because you've got Conor McGregor's cousin versing you in paddle, so you know you're gonna get destroyed.
so what?
So Claudia has the genetics already.
Conor McGregor is not a paddle player. What are you talking about?
Doesn't matter. He's strong. That guy would smash you in paddle. Conor McGregor, I bet.
Wait, pause.
Pro
pause,
paddle player.
Pause.
What?
Just no.
What? You don't reckon Conor McGregor would be a great paddle player?
No.
Why? You dissing my family? We're not related, by the way.
Claudia, I would
for
never.
anyone.
I respect you. I would never.
For anyone believing this bullshit.
But you first got to prove that you can play paddle. Angel, what's my TP? 598. 29,598.
Gold going for Claudia's TP. Is it moving? Let's have a look.
It better goes for Claudia's TP.
It is around 13 points in profit now.
Nice.
So like nearly halfway there.
Very nice.
Gundab says, I would beat you in paddle with one eye closed. Let's play. Winner gets 5k USD. I'm in Dubai. Well, unfortunately, we're not interested in a small game for 5k. Celine and I are playing for 10 and 20k. So
it's true.
Gotta step it up a bit. Our grandpa's a good tennis player? I didn't know that.
Really?
Apparently. I mean, he's claiming it. But also, we gotta keep in mind, Grandpa, Celine claimed she's a great Mario Kart player.
No, well, being a good tennis player is different to paddle, though. Because I have played paddle.
Oh, very.
Yeah, like playing tennis and playing paddle, they're two very different sports.
Okay, can you play tennis?
Kinda. I'm not the best. No. I've never played it like for a club or anything, but I just really enjoy it.
It's fun.
I mean, cool.
I only got into it because my fiance is actually a great tennis player, and I used to always like go for a hit with him. And so like after a while, I would slowly get better and better. And I would say I'm like, okay, but.
What are his thoughts on the paddle match and the bet?
Oh, he knows I'm not going to say too much.
Knows your what?
Hey?
Is he pissed?
As in, why? Why would you be pissed?
Because you're losing 10k.
No. Well, I'm not. I will be making 10k. I should be making 10k.
Is it too late for me to switch teams? I'm not feeling
Claudia,
confident.
No.
Wow.
Claudia, no.
Your lack of confidence is scaring me.
I'm saying too much. Oh, would you look at that? We're almost time.
Saved by the bell.
Oh shit! Saved by the bell for real. Well, chat, with that, put a big fat W in the chat if you enjoyed the stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of the stream, like Pro Skater 90, who we didn't even talk about the SpaceX IPO with, unfortunately. We'll be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. And then, of course, Monday, 7 a.m. with the London session stream. Now, first of all, also put a big fat W, Claudia, in the chat, because we always enjoy when Claudia is here. Thank you for your time. And before we leave, actually, Claudia, any last inspirational / motivational words? Maybe not just for the chat, but for Celine, because it seems like she needs it.
Well, just in relevance to the trades today, don't hesitate to secure your profits. Don't hesitate to, if you've caught a nice win, like you don't feel pressured to hold it. If you feel like you've got a great entry, don't get overly attached, because you will find another nice entry. Secure your profits, compound your account, and if the market's still giving you opportunities, then you can get in again. There's nothing worse than letting a winning trade turn into a losing one. So secure your profits, not too soon, but yeah, just make sure you're compounding your account.
All right, Celine.
I just want to say W London gang, because all three of us banked today and it's the last day of the week. So as I was saying, it's never a good day on a Friday when you give away your profits and you're ending the week on a red. So I'm glad if you guys took those trades with us, you're ending on a positive note. Ending a little bit of a rough week for me on the positive note is just what I needed. Although I lost in Mario Kart, I still bagged the win on NASDAQ. So you know what? It's like
Well, the trade is more important.
The trade is
well
more
done.
important. So I'm good. Appreciate you guys as usual. Make sure you join into the 8:30 New York stream, of course. And I will see you guys Monday, 7 a.m. UK, as per usual.
Yep. See you guys. Peace.
Peace.
Bye.